Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the stream. What's up? What's up? What's going on? Let's make sure we smash that like button when we walk through the door. Good morning, Johnny. I see you there with the green heart. Forex Ninja Grand Rising to you. Happy start of the week. Let's go. Self-made Dre. Welcome back, Dre. I appreciate you coming back. What's going on with you? Hope you're having a great morning. Hi, Sheena. Good vibes in the chat. We got Seven and Marco saying the same thing. Good morning to y'all. Thank you so much. What's up, Tweezy? Grand Rising to you and to everybody. Good morning, everybody. Samar, what's up, Samar? Good morning to you. Hello, hello. Hi, Paulo. Hi, Lua. Good morning. Welcome in, welcome in. Official Visual Addict, Grand Rising to you. Good morning. All right. Who's ready for the stream? Who's ready? Let's get it going. Okay. Let me just make sure all my screens are good, chat. Sound check is good. Screens look good. All right, let's go. Let me know in the chat. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Let me know in the chat. I want to know. How did it go? Was it good? Anybody do anything special? I got some interesting things for you. So we're going to try some new segments on stream. That's some of the things we already do. But I want to do a segment where we have like a leaderboard and we kind of give thanks to the members because the members help support the stream. Y'all know streamers don't make money from the video per se. Yes, there's ads on the video, but you have to understand every couple of thousands of views is like a penny. You know what I'm trying to say? So it's not like, you know what I mean? You're making sense. By the end of the month, you're making like $1, $2, whatever. Anyway, $5, you know. So those who are members support the stream, so I appreciate it so much. So I want to have a segment where we kind of like just show like a leaderboard, who's been here the longest, and then maybe we highlight some of the new members and stuff like that. Okay, we'll kind of switch it up a bit. So that's a new segment we're gonna have. We're gonna call it the honor roll. The honor roll. All right, another segment we're gonna have is gonna be called chart check. So it's kind of like, it's almost like free mentoring in a way, right? Because you're gonna be able to send me your charts in Discord. You can send it in the main chat. You could do it right now as I'm talking. I don't care if it's a win. I don't care if it's a loss. It doesn't have to be a trade. It could be funny. If you saw something funny on the chart and you want to draw anything you want to send in. You want to try some cool new color scheme out and you want me to check it out, whatever you want the stream to see, send it in. Again, it could be serious, it could be funny, all the above. It could be a question. If you have a question, try to circle or point to, you know, the candlesticks, write some text up there so I know what you're talking about. Sounds good? Okay, sound good. So yeah, so I think we're gonna do chart check. I'm gonna have it at the same time every day. I'm thinking around 10 o'clock. Well, I'm thinking like after the opening, you know, like between the opening and 10. Somewhere between there, right? After the opening. We won't do it right away when I start the stream, but that'll give you some time to send in some things, okay? Maybe a little after 10. But yeah, y'all, I think that's gonna be a fun, cool segment. So again, it could be funny, it could be serious. All the above. You could be trying something new, whatever you want to send in. Okay, you can make it random. I don't care. And what else do we got? Tea time with Lens. Yeah, we got tea time. We already have tea time when we go on Twitter, so you already know what that is. I kind of want to bring back the open mic. If you're an OG on the stream, remember when we had thousands of viewers? I used to do the open mic all the time, where you come on to the Discord and you talk to me, you talk to the stream. So the open mic will be if you have any questions or if you want to just come on and say hi. Some people just came on and said hi, good morning. You know what I mean? So I think we're going to bring back the open mic as well. You don't have to be a member as long as you're a subscriber and you join the Discord. The Discord's free. So you don't have to pay. You just come on the mic, say hello. Sounds good? So yeah, those are the 4 new segments on stream, y'all. Chart check. Open mic with Lens, tea time with Lens, and the official honor roll. All right. So yeah, that's how we're doing it. Okay, let's see here. Let's do our analysis. We're going to be focused on Nasdaq on this stream. Today we're going to be doing 3 Take Profit Trader accounts, up about $76 on the day. I took a trade last night. The last time I saw it, I was up $200. I went to walk the dogs and I came back and it came back down. It just started consolidating forever. So I was like, I'm just gonna close this trade. I'll just wait till tomorrow. So up $76. You should be able to see it. See my mouse right here on the screen. Also, Take Profit Trader. Shout out to Take Profit Trader. The reason why I love them is because they have those daily withdrawals, chat. Daily withdrawals. Hello. Lock in that profit. 24 hours go by, the next day you can withdraw it. While you're waiting on that withdrawal, you can work on a different account. You can switch your accounts around, right? You can make money. So at least you can withdraw a couple $1,000s before you, let's say you lose the account, versus, oh man, I never got to the payout, you know? So yeah, use code official in, chat. Code official in. All right, on that note, I have Take Profit Trader logged in on TradingView as well. So you're going to see, if you want to use a trade copier, there is not one built into TradingView. I know it sucks. TradingView doesn't have one, but Tradeovate does. So over here, you're going to have to enter your trades, but it'll pop up over here. So if you want to go by TradingView, you can just have it side by side and you can put up your positions and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you. You'll be seeing that the entire stream, okay? Oh, when you exit your trades, make sure you exit your trades on Tradeovate, because if you enter on 3 accounts on Tradeovate, and then you come over to TradingView and you exit the trade, it's just going to exit the trade for the account on TradingView that you're logged into. It's not going to exit for all 3 because there's no copier. Okay? I want to make sure that's clear, because I don't want y'all to be like, I exited my trade, the other 2 stayed open. Well, there's no trade copier on TradingView. So again, you enter and exit through Tradeovate if you're using the trade copier. We got that? Let me get a 111 in the chat so we can do our daily affirmations. Let's get a 111 in the chat if you got that. Okay, other than that, you can drag your stop loss, manage your stop loss, all those good things. Yes, you can do all those things. So you'll see me do it here. You can drag your stop loss. It will move it for all of the other ones. But for some reason, when you close it, the entry and close has to be on Tradeovate, okay? But yes, you can move your stop loss to break even on TradingView and it'll work for everything. All right, on that note, I'll stop yapping. Let's get to the daily affirmation. I'll just let you see it when we enter a trade. You'll understand more, of course. Let's see what we got for today. Today's May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo, chat. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Find balance in life, in your life. Work hard, but don't let work take over your life. You will lose yourself. Love, but don't love for the right reasons. Life is too short for anything mediocre. Know who you are and know that you are worthy of reaching your dreams, and that it is never too late to start creating that life you've always dreamed of. Oh, that's a beautiful message on this lovely Cinco de Mayo day. That's beautiful. Absolutely, chat. It's never too late to start. I don't care if you are 40, 50, 60s, in your 70s. You tap into your spiritual work, you will learn you are never too old to start. I promise. Never too old to start, never too young to start, right? Don't lose yourself. I've been there, done that, where you lose yourself at work. Before you know it, you're working all the time, you're doing all this overtime. The money's looking good because you need the money. And you're losing out on your freedom, right? You're spending less time with your family and friends. You get into that work mode. And, you know, we're here to enjoy life. We're not here to be slaves per se, right? We're here to enjoy life. So I'm happy all of you are here so you can learn this skill. And may this skill take you as far as it can take you. Okay. All right, we got about 13 minutes. 13 minutes to the opening. I'm going to do the analysis in a few. I got another announcement to show you here. This one's not as important, but this is for my gamers in the chat. GTA 6 has been delayed to May 26, 2026. I'm fed up at this point, chat. This was supposed to come out when I graduated high school. And here we are. Man, I done graduated high school. I done got my first job. I done walked to work. I done took the city bus for years. I done had a gun to my head. I done went to community college. I done dropped out of college. I done went back to university. I graduated with a bachelor's degree. I started a business and it failed. Started another business. It was successful. Became a full-time trader as well. Did YouTube. I moved across the country to this resort that I wanted to live on. I live on this beautiful resort. I live like I'm on vacation every day after so much failure. And the game still didn't freaking come out. What the heck? Now I have time. I have time, GTA. I have time now. I didn't have time before. I have time now. I don't work 12-hour shifts no more. I don't drive an hour to school and an hour back no more. Oh my God, I'm not getting 4 hours of sleep anymore. I have time to play. Where is the game? Damn. 26 is crazy. We're over it by this point. I have time to play and I can't even play. It's not fair, chat. It's not fair. Life's not fair though, huh? Life's not fair. GTA 6 is gonna come out when I'm the busiest. Watch. When I have zero time to play, GTA 6 is gonna drop. Don't get me wrong though, as a someone who's like a, well, what do I call myself? What do you call someone that's not as experienced, chat? What's the word? Newbie? I mean, I'm not really a newbie developer. I'm more little under intermediate. But as a newbie intermediate developer, novice. Thank you, Spooky. Novice. As a novice developer, that's a perfect word. I understand from that standpoint on needing time. But the problem is they have to understand it's been over 10 years and people are going to expect a lot. So now no matter how good the game is, people are going to be like, it wasn't worth the wait, right? It wasn't worth the wait. And the reason why I bring this up, chat, is because, you know, we talk about business over here. With a business, you have to adapt to what's currently going on. What's currently going on is we have a whole new generation, okay? The attention span is low, okay? When you're popping, you got to stay up there popping. When you're not popping, it is so hard to climb that ladder again, okay? This generation, they don't give you your flowers. They throw you to the wolves. You had your time. You fell off. You're done, right? Look, GTA, I'm trying to tell y'all, GTA, y'all better drop that game because when it drops, you're going to be disappointed. People are going to say it's not as good as the wait. You make people wait. You build all this build up and they're like, oh, that's it. You know what I mean, chat? You live on a resort? Yes, I live on a resort styled private community that's income restricted and gated as well. So when you hear me tell people they don't even make enough money to step through my gate, that is just factual. It's factual. Yes, it's income restricted. It was not the easiest to get in. You had to have at least 2 years for me because of trading. Other people, other people have pay stubs. So, you submit your pay stubs from your job. A little harder for me to get in. It's always a little harder when you're a trader, chat. Depends who you're talking to. You know what I mean? So that's why I tell y'all when it comes to trading Forex versus trading futures in the US, you want as less problems as possible. Because you have to understand, a lot of people aren't familiar with trading. If they know about trading, they usually just know about, stock trading. But if you say you're not stock trading, they get confused. So you got to understand, not everybody's in the trading world, Caribbean country or US? US. I'm in the US. Yep, we in the US. Okay, chat, let's do the analysis. We're 8 minutes away. Perfect timing here this morning. Perfect timing. Those who are new, if you want to join the Discord, you just got to fill out the application. As long as you answer the questions decently, you're good to go, I promise. Those who failed to answer the questions decently, or if they had answers similar to scammers, were denied. So if your application was denied, feel free to let me know. I can look into it. I think the only ones left now are the ones that were very similar to the scammers. So you might have just got caught up in the filter by accident. They think you're a gambler. Yep, they think you're a gambler. And the thing is the reason why you're verifying your income is people want to make sure you can pay them. Fair enough, right? They want to make sure you paying that money. You know, because it's hard to kick a tenant out. But yeah, chat, when you're a trader, they want to see a little bit more than 3 months. I had to show 2 years. Well, I had to show 1 year, but which I got cleared for. But then they kind of wanted to see 2 years last minute, which was really annoying, but I get it. And again, it's because you know how trading is. It's one of the hardest things to do in the world. As far as consistency goes, it's very up and down. You always have to adapt and adjust. That's why it's hard. So yeah, they need to see that you can make enough consistently to pay, right? All right, anyway, into the analysis. Here we go. First time on stream, Lemon, welcome in. Have to say you have a soothing radio voice. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. If you're new to the stream, I've been streaming since 2021, so welcome. I'm one of the OGs. Appreciate you. All right, here we go. You're right on time. All right, I have a lot of lines on my chart, chat. My apologies. When I zoom in, it won't feel like that much. I promise. But looking at the daily, as we know, last week we were slowly traveling up. Today we are coming back down. I don't really have a standpoint daily wise, but I do have this like range over here. So I know we're coming back towards the top of this range. So I'm wondering if we're gonna bounce off of this or if we're gonna be driving back down today. So that's gonna be interesting to watch. But based off of the way the daily's been, I haven't been basing my trades off of that per se. We're going to be more lower time frame, smaller setup based today. So see how right here we're back on this range once again. There's a better version of it, right? We're back at the top of this range. So either A, we're probably going to drive down, or B, we may just retrace and get a bounce off of here. So yeah, we'll be paying attention to that. It'll be interesting. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to take it slow and smooth. When I see something, I'll let you know. But yeah, I mean, we're in a range, so it's kind of hard to have a bias here. You know, some days I have a bias. Some days I don't have one in the morning. Sometimes it takes a little bit to get a bias. That's what trading is, chat. And if you don't know that, you definitely haven't been trading enough, long enough. Let's see. I kind of, you know, based off of the 1 hour and 30-minute time frame, it almost looks a bit bullish. It's a little tricky. It's interesting. I see we keep trying to come up in this range and we just keep failing, so we'll see. Maybe 9:30 will drive it up. The structure is kind of looking bullish to me, especially on the 30-minute. The structure looks bullish. Let's see what happens. Let's see how this candle closes. If I see something I like to the top side, I'll probably take a long. So yeah, that's where we are right now. Definitely want to see how this candle closes on the 30-minute. 15 minutes. 15-minute looks bullish too. Looks a bit bullish to me, chat. We'll see though. We'll see how this closes. Hey, him who is I, welcome in. JW, what's up, Jay? Is this NQ? Yes, it's MNQ, micro NQ, but same thing. Same thing, it's Nasdaq. Oh no, don't tell me it's going now. Don't tell me it's gonna go now. Right before 9:30? Come on, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes, chill out. Ain't no way. Unexpected, what's up? Welcome back, I see you. Mark Kayla, welcome back. Happy Monday to you. Thank you for coming back. Hope you're having a great morning. Works Ninja, weird fact, behind the stream, I play Traders Lo-Fi Jazz. It sounds like a radio show. Ooh, you know what? That sounds pretty good. That sounds pretty vibey, I'm not gonna lie. Ian, look at Ian spamming that official logo. Good morning to Ian, welcome in. All right, chat, we got 1 minute till the market opens here. I told you I'm seeing bullish structure. As far as getting in though, geez, I mean, it's already, I wish the 9:30 candle did this. This would be something I'd want to hop in, but let's see. Let's see. They play too much. 40 seconds, y'all. 40 seconds till the opening. Yeah, 1 hour's not gonna help because it's still open. Let's see. Where's stop loss going though? Stop loss all the way at the bottom, I guess. Here we go. 5 seconds on the clock. Here we go. Where's that VWAP? Oh, it's up there. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna take a buy. I'm gonna take a long here. Gonna move my stop loss at the bottom. What am I targeting? Probably up around here. I think I can move my stop loss up a bit. I don't think I need to risk all that. 43 is good. Almost like a 1-to-1 setup here. I'm thinking we're gonna have a drive up to fill out this range here. So let's put TP1 right here. TP2 up here. Bridget, good morning to you. What's up? William, good morning. Wizzy, what's up? What's up? You said that's a nice entry? I hope so. We hope so. Looks good. It do look good. Only risking like 160 on this, 170, somewhere around there. I think it's like 170. If I do the math quickly in my head, it's about 170 on the risk. So risking 170 for, how many points is that? 64 for 300. What's up? What's up? Appreciate you. Who's that? Ancient. It's Ancient. A member for 20 months. Oh my goodness. Appreciate you, Agent. Thanks for renewing. 20 months. Holy. That's some loyalty right there, chat. Thank you so much. But yeah, risking 170 for like 300, so kind of like a almost 2x, about a 2x, just about a 2x. Trying to get people to close at break even, huh? I mean, yeah, I mean, the 30-minute and the 15-minute looks like a bullish structure breakout in my eyes, so that's how I'm viewing it here. We're in the 20s, looking to see if we can get up to 45. That's where TP1 is. See if we can get up to the 40s. We're in the 20s. Let's see if we can get a push to the 40s here on Nasdaq. It did enter a bit early. When I say a bit early, I mean the 5-minute candle didn't even close yet. I think the 5-minute candle is like a whole minute left, right? Yeah, see the 5-minute candle. Usually it struggles the first 5 minutes. Let's see if we can get a push here to the 40s. Pretty good stop loss there. It goes back down and hits that stop loss. It would definitely invalidate my trade, so that's why my stop loss is there. There we go. We're at 28. There we go. 30. Can we see a push to the 40s here? Can we see a push to the 40s? 33. Oh, is that my phone? Sorry, chat. I don't know if y'all heard that or not. Let me just mute this. I'm not in a mood, my flight they're late. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Whoa! Ancient gifting 10 memberships in the chat. W gifted. Thank you so much, Ancient. Thank you, thank you, thank you. W gifted. Can we get a W gifted in the chat? Or W ancient? W gifted or W ancient, chat. Either one. Y'all know streaming culture. We say W. W gifted. Thank you so much. Oh, it's gonna do it 10 times, isn't it? It's gonna do it 10 times. On that note, TP1 just got smashed. Let's go. TP1 smash. Let's go ahead and move stops to break even. So again, you can click here on trading view. See how I click and drag? Move my stop to break even. Oh, see, how come it didn't do it here? It did it here last time. Well, I guess not, chat. Hold on. I guess not. Look. Break even up about 80 bucks. Let's see. This range isn't too big. Yeah, we may just get to the top of here and that's it, huh? I don't see it being the biggest of breakouts here, chat. Well, that's a nice wick. Hey, hey. Bring in the nice wicks, chat. Let's go. Let me know if anybody took that trade as well. I'm just curious.
Now tuned into the motherfucking greatest.
You know it, chat. You know it. You know it, you know it. Let's see, we're up about 120. Don't want to leave with less than 50 bucks. At least get half of the work done here. All that crap we went through. So let's trail it at maybe like 31. That should be about 50 bucks. Right? 10 times 8. Oh, is that 80 bucks? Yeah, that's a good trail. That's a good trail. Again, I kind of thinking we're only going to right here. So I'm being ambitious with this TP2. I don't think we're getting further than here. So let's highlight this area and really watch it here. Is that another 10? No way. Oh my god, it is another 10. W gifted. Thank you, Ancient. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. I wish they had it like Twitch, where we put the top gifters at the top, right? I know it shows for the stream, but like when the stream's over on Twitch, they show the top gifters. I wish they would show it. NQ, what are we doing, NQ? Hold your ground. Hold your ground, NQ. What are we doing? We're going the wrong way. What are you doing? What is this? What is this? I'm filing a complaint, chat, to the trading commodity team. Ah, we got trailed. All good, all good. Sorry, chat, it's gonna play 10 times. I don't know why it doesn't just play one time when it's gifted. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's in the settings. Let me see. Let me go to the settings. Let me see if I can fix that for y'all. I gotta wait till I'm off a stream. I'm gonna wait till I'm off a stream. You're out? Yeah, I'm out too. Got my trailing. That's all right. Little warm up. Up 116. If you can see it right here, up 116. So we are chilling. Little warm up. Let's let 9:30 kind of simmer in a little bit and see what we got coming up here. Let's take a look at the news. I believe we have a pretty good news week. Today we have ISM services PMI at 7, which is 10 if you're on New York time, 10 o'clock. So that's coming up in about 20 minutes. Okay, remember JPY does have a bank holiday today. Tomorrow we have trade balance. Wednesday we got FOMC. Hey, FOMC day on Wednesday. Thursday, just regular, normal unemployment claims per usual. All right, FOMC week, y'all. Gonna be interesting. Oh my God, there's not another one. Agent, thank you. I appreciate y'all. I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much, Agent. Chat, if you got gifted, please say thank you to Ancient if you got gifted. On that note, let's take this time to highlight some of our members. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. Let me see here. On chat. Where's the leaderboard? All right, so we got the honor roll here, and just give me a second because I can't pop it up for some reason to read it. 1 second, chat, because it's blurry for me for some reason. Look at Nasdaq coming down. I'll change that for next time, chat, so it doesn't play 10 times. I got you. I think that was the last one. Okay, what were we doing? We're doing the leaderboard. The leaderboard, chat. While we're waiting for this candle to close. How come I can't pop this up? YouTube's being weird, chat. It's being weird. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I got it now. Let's take a look at our leaderboard, chat. Okay, we got... Oh, what happened to George? George should be up there in the #1 spot for 37 months. Jeez. That's 3 years, y'all. That's over 3 years. We got Fazo in the 2nd place spot, 37 months. We got Melly. Y'all know Mel. I don't know if y'all know Mel, but Action Jackson. Mel's been a member for 37 months. We got Real Knowledge. Real Knowledge is always here saying good morning to everybody in the chat. Always being positive. 37 months. Vereen is always here every week. She goes to class on Saturdays too. Sometimes she upgrades to super supporter. Sometimes she downgrades down to official fam. She switches it around. Vereen's been here for 37 months. We got Victoria as well. Victoria's been here for 37 months. Shay, shout out to Shay with the 37 months. We got Unique Phillip. Unique's been here a while. Unique Phillip's been here 37 months. HP, shout out to HP. I always see HP in the chat randomly there. 37 months. We got Tajal, 37 months. And last but not least, we got Jay Long. What's up, Jay? With the 37 months. Those are our top 10 streaks. Wow. So yeah, I know I didn't say everybody's name, but I just wanted to recognize a few and just, you know, give a thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the members. On that note, let's see if we can get another leaderboard going. Let's take a look at some newer members. Well, we just had a bunch of new ones, so let's see. Official Radiant, we just had our first one-on-one session. Shout out to you. 6 days being a member. We got JM, we got Lua, we got Blanca, Sam. Who else we got? Let me see. My thing keeps jumping around. We got JM with 9 days, Lua with 11 days. These are our new members. Blanca with 11 days. We got Sam with 11 days. Talib has 12 days. Paulo has 13 days. Who else is up there? We got Ketchigo, 19 days. We got Lex the Taurus, 21 days. Shout out to Lex. And then we got Chief. What's up, Chief? Chief's been here 21 days. So yeah, let's give a shout out to some of the new members. Appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. All right, that was our honor roll. Cool honor roll. A little roll call today, chat, you know. I told you I want to do that a little more because I don't think the members get enough recognition, you know. 30 months, that's a long time. 37 months. What? I appreciate y'all. Y'all make me feel like the streamers I watch with millions of viewers. It's so normal for them. They be like, thank you for the 60 months. Thank you for the 72 months. Thank you for the 50 something months. They be like, everybody's been there like 4 or 5 years. It's crazy when you watch the streamers with millions of followers. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Damon, what's up in the chat? What's up? How you doing? NASA's looking real indecisive right now. Yeah, you see that extra liquidity grab? We had to come back for another retest. Yeah, perhaps maybe we could have got back in, but sometimes I feel like getting back in, chat, and then other times I just sit on my hands, you know. I don't always do it. But yeah, we had a retest here. That's all right. think we're right up to VWAP. Let's go ahead and turn on the VWAP and let's take a look at it. Boom, right there. We went straight up to VWAP. It's very common if we're below VWAP. There are a lot of times where Nasdaq will come back up and pop up towards that VWAP. If you want to write that down in your notes. It's not every time though, so I don't want you to think, oh my god, we're below VWAP, Nasdaq at 930 is going to go up. No, it's not every time. But a lot of times, it's typical for us to hit that imbalance. Dropping some gems here. But let's see what it looks like on a higher time frame now. So yeah, maybe not enough information for me to say, oh yeah, we're bouncing off of this range. I mean, we're not that far off of it, so it's still not enough information. But that's why I said I'm just going off of a little bit of a lower time frame structure like we just did with that trade, you know? Looking at the 1 hour, the 30 minute, the 15 minute, and all three of those told me bullish, so I'll be basing my trades off of that. Last week I got chopped up on the 3 minute time frame. The confirmations were not as strong as what they've been in the last month. So I'm going to be above the 3 minute time frame. Don't get me wrong, we have the 1 minute over here that we're watching, but as far as confirmations go, chat, last week was enough for me to say, okay, last week was difficult. Even though I ended in the green, it's not about that for me. It was difficult. I don't like it being that difficult. You know, nobody wants to have a struggling week. You know, you want your week to flow, right? We want a flowy week. So yeah, 3 minute confirmations is out the door for me after last week. I said, we hanging it up. We taking the trash all the way out, chat. All the way. I hope y'all enjoyed Friday's stream. I rewatched it back. Y'all had a whole different version of me on stream Friday, huh? You had official lens, you had savage lens, you had petty lens, you had ego lens. You had a bunch of different versions, huh? That was a funny stream on Friday. It was also a serious stream though. I mean, I was serious. I think if you've been watching me for a long time, you know I was being serious as well. What's up, Jelani? Good morning to you. So go ahead and send your charts into the Discord. I'm getting ready to pull it up to see what's in there, what I missed. I'll look in the main chat and I'll look in today's trades. So I'll be looking in both sections there. And I'm probably going to pull up what people posted on Friday since we didn't get to it. But yeah, go ahead and post your charts in the main chat or in today's trades. Either one, I'm getting ready to pull up the Discord. You could post your analysis. You can post just your chart colors. You just want me to see, hey, post your chart colors. Post something funny. Anything. I don't care what it is. Anything. A win, loss, anything. All the above, chat. Go ahead and post your charts. I'll give you a couple minutes. If you have a question, feel free to ask the question on the chart as well. Can do that too. 0 Day, hey, welcome back. What's up? Good morning, beautiful lids. I appreciate you. I hope your morning's going well. Remember, chat, I'm just waiting for this candle to close. We have 10 o'clock coming up. We got some news. There are trading rules with news with Take Profit Trader. I believe you can't take it within the first 2 minutes. So, and then you can't hop into a trade 2 minutes before it drops too. So we're gonna have to let this news candle sit a little bit. Remember, news just brings impact to what's already happening. If you pay attention to price action and you learn your technicals, you can, most times, you can read what's gonna happen before the news drops. The news is just giving emphasis on it, you know, it's bringing in the volume to make that move, you know what I mean? Right now I'm looking at this as we I'm just gonna highlight this as a box. We kind of like broke out of this range. Now we're coming back inside of this range. So I'm chilling. Hands off right now. Hands off. New here, watching with Seven. What's up, Duke? Thank you, Seven, for putting someone on. I appreciate you, Seven. Thank you, thank you. What's up, Duke? I hope you're having a great morning. Appreciate you joining. Let me know in the chat, anybody new to trading? Who's new to trading? Who's new to futures? Let me know in the chat. This is your time, chat. This is your year. It's 2025. It's time to make a change, right? I promise you, you can change your life in a year. I promise you, you can start off the year with a negative bank account balance and end off the year with 6 figures and be like, oh my God, I don't know how the hell I did it. You know what I mean? I promise you. I promise you. So if you're just now starting your journey, welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. It's going to be a journey, but I promise you it's worth it. I promise you it's worth it. The thing about trading is you can struggle for years and you can lose a lot of money. But the moment it clicks, all those years of losing, you'll make back that money your first month that it clicks. I know it's crazy that it works that way, but that's how it works. You'll get your investment back like that, and times 10, right? Times 10, times 100, God willing, times 100, times 1,000,000. D, you're new to futures. Welcome, D. Lua, new to futures. Okay. News that can't be traded with TP. Yeah, they usually send out an email in the morning. So let me see if I can. Oh, by the way, yeah, let me announce this news. They sent this out, but I forgot to announce this earlier to y'all. Y'all know Warren Buffett is retiring from the Berkshire CEO. Did y'all know that? 6 decades. He was the CEO for 6 decades, 60 years, chat. So I don't know what kind of impact that's going to have on their stock today, or if that's going to impact Nasdaq or anything, but we'll see. But yeah, that was announced over the weekend. Let me see if they have. I tell you what, I got an email this morning. Your money has been transferred to your wallet. Amount withdrawn. Okay, so I got my investment back, which is what I wanted to do. So I'll just show y'all. Well, I showed you on, hold on, chat. Let me just pop this up. Let me pop up the visual so I'm not just yapping. So you have a visual. So you're like, what the hell is she talking about? Let me just pop it up. Oh my goodness. Wrong platform. It's on YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. Bear with me, chat. 5 seconds. I promise. I got it in 5 seconds. It's just loading. Okay, here we go. So on Friday, I posted that my payout has been processed. I filed for a withdrawal on Friday. Get my investment back on one of these accounts here. So you can see this morning. Oh, this was yesterday? I didn't check my email yesterday. Sunday, May 4th at 9:13 p.m. Oh, it was last night. 9 hours ago. Your money's been successfully withdrawn. So there you go, chat. Can't make that up. So yeah. He's handpicking his successor. Oh, is he? That'll be nice. Wait, we got another bottom wick while I was yapping? What in the world? So extra. And this is why, chat. See, I don't like all these wick retests. This is why I usually take what I can get and I'll hop back in. You know, let's say we're in this candle. I'm happy to take the 40 points. And if this wick retest and I see it's still valid, I'm happy to hop back in, you know. I'm not the type to hold these out in this type of market, only because we have unusual market conditions. What I mean, well, if Trump just randomly says something, no matter what price action reads, it's gonna do that. So I just take what I can get. You don't have to do that, of course. Everybody has their own, everyone has their own strategic strategy and how they want to enter and exit trades, right? Everybody's different. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just telling you what I do. A7's in the chat. Let's go, A7. What's up? Good afternoon to you. Welcome in. Happy to see your name there. Hi, Smokey. Hola. I see you. Hey, let me double check. Let me double check. The money was withdrawn. Let's see. Let's see it. Let's see it. I think it's in my wallet, right? Yep. It's in my wallet. I see. Okay. Nice. Sorry, chat. I'm just filling this out. All right, we're just patiently waiting here. We got the news coming up. Here we go. We got about 30 seconds till the news comes. This is what we're going to do. We're going to hype it up in the chat. Let's get some hype in the chat. A7 recovering from being really ill over the weekend. His washing machine just blew up, which was entertaining. Oh my goodness, your washing machine blew up. I'm glad you're feeling better, though. I'm glad you're feeling better. Chat, let's get some hype in the chat. Can we get some hype in the chat? Drop that official logo if you got it. Drop that fire. Drop some W's. Let's hype it up. Type it up a little bit. Agent with another 10 gifted. Oh my goodness. That is 40 gifted. Is that 40? Holy, hold on. I need a screenshot of this. Hold on. No. I need a screenshot. Wait. Thank you so much, H. I thought you said no more. You are so funny. Okay, let's get a nice. Why is Nasdaq glowing up right now, chat? Hey, there we go. We got a screenshot. Perfect. Thank you so much, Ancient. 40 gifted. Oh my goodness. You get a membership. Oprah vibes. Oh my god, I had a buy limit at 20,054. It was 1 point from activation. Oh, see, that's why I don't do buy limits. You just market order. This is why I don't do it. I do market orders because I got tired of being frustrated. 1 point away and it doesn't open the order. Although we're happy if it's a losing trade, right? When it doesn't open the order. That's when we're like, yes. W 1 point away, right? But yeah, I'd say stick to the market orders. My limits, you know, they get a little funky. Ah, look at it going, chat. Well, we had a good read on it being bullish structure, right? Had a good read on that. we got in for a second time, looks like it would have did pretty well. It's all good though. I'm not tripping. I'm estimating that to be about maybe like $300 with the small risk that I've been doing. Yeah, it's about 300. It's all good. We'll make 300 somewhere else. All good, all good. See what it looks like on the 5. I'm just curious. We're above VWAP now, by the way. Oh, okay. I see. And this is the news candle, which means we should probably look at the numbers, right? What are we doing? We're being irresponsible, chat. What are we doing? We're supposed to look at those numbers. All right, forecast was 50.2, actual was 51.6, higher than expected. All right, so remember, this is surveyed on purchase managers, right? But we're excluding the manufacturing industry. Because remember, they have an ISM manufacturing as well. Wait a minute. You didn't do another 10, did you? Did you do another 10? Or is that the same 10? Can you explain VWAP? Yes, I can. Hold on. Is that another 10? I gotta refresh the stream. Yo, it is another 10. Holy. Oh my goodness. Is that 50? 50. Give it. Can we get a W50 in the chat? Thank you so much, Ancient. Oh my goodness. Blessing me, blessing the members. You know what's crazy, chat? My most profitable members was gifted by Agent. Isn't that crazy? The members, and you know, most of our members are a little quiet because we're humble over here, but my members who've made the most money, they started out by being gifted by Agent. If it wasn't for Agent gifting them, they would never have stayed in the membership. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy, right? See, you never know what's gonna come out of this for you. Oh, back down. Yeah, I got you with the VWAP. Let me just have the notification go off first. Okay, I think that was the last one. That was the last one. Okay, let's talk about the VWAP while we're waiting. All right, chat, we're gonna go on a higher time frame here. So the VWAP, mine's purple. You can make it any color in the world. Doesn't matter. My setting is on high-low candle 3, HLC3. If you want to take a screenshot, HLC3, high-low candle 3, which is the typical setting. So what does that mean? VWAP stands for volume weighted average price, right? We're focused on the volume of buyers and sellers. Okay, so it's weighing out where the buyers are, where the sellers are. Why does that matter, chat? Here's a perfect example. When we are above VWAP, typically we're breaking out, right? When we're above the VWAP, buyers have the momentum. Buyers are winning the fight. I want you to think of this like a boxing match. Is the easiest way to remember, right? It's a boxing match. The sellers got knocked out. They on the ground, chat. They can't get up. They can't get up. They on the ground. The buyers got the momentum. So what happens is all this buying pressure creates an imbalance of sellers. What does that mean? A lack of sellers. There's not enough sellers in the market. So when the VWAP is moving along with this breakout, it's taking the average price so that you know, okay, at this price point, if the sellers can fight back and get price to touch this VWAP, that will equal out the imbalance. So once they did that, once they touch it, once they come back and touch it, it's round 2. It's time for another fight. The imbalance has been complete. Now it's time to fight. Who's going to win? Notice that we closed below it. Notice that we're rejecting it. Good indication that sellers most likely are winning now. Now the buyers are on the ground, chat. Buyers took a gut shot, liver shot. Now we're on the sell side momentum, right? So it's to help you find where the imbalances are in the market. Where's there an imbalance of sellers? Where's the imbalance of buyers? Because we eventually have to come back to VWAP to equal out that imbalance. Does that make sense, chat? Let me get a 5 in the chat. That makes sense. Let me get a 5 in the chat. Let's see who got it. That W explanation or what? Let me know in the chat. Is that a W explanation? Gap on your chart, 1 minute. On the 1 minute. Let me see. Gap on the 1 minute. Wait, where? I don't see. Oh. Right here. I kind of see a gap. Like right here. It's like 1 point though. Is that what you're talking about? Or is there a different gap? Yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it. Is that what you're talking about? Here for a good time, not a long time. I love that. That's funny. Good morning, Lex. Lex, I shouted you out earlier. I don't know if you were here, but we did a membership leaderboard. We're showing the top 10 members who've been here the longest with 37 months. But then I also want to give a shout out to some of our new members, and you're on that board, of course. I think you've been here about 20 days, or is it more than 20 days? Ah, it's a little blurry for me, but there you are, Lex. We gave you a shout out earlier. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. W exclamation. Thank you, Terrence. Mine looks a bit bigger. I'll drop in Discord. Yeah, so it's about that time, chat. It is time for chart check. It is time for chart check. So go ahead and send it in. I gave you a warning about 30 minutes ago. Maybe 15 minutes ago, I think. To send them in. You can still send them in while I'm looking. All right, so you can send your charts to the Discord. It could be in the main chat. It could be in today's trades. Either one. I don't mind. You can mark it up with questions. You can send winners, losers. You can mark up something funny. You can draw on it. You can show me your chart colors. All the above. It's time for chart check. Let's check this out. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna start off in the main chat. We got King. King, I like the black and the blue because it's so different. I don't know how you see your candles though. Let me see. Let me yeah, let me pop it up here. How do you see those oh, you got a white outline. Okay, okay. I was wondering, I'm like, wait, how do you see these candles? Midnight candles, I'm gonna call them. I like the color scheme though, it's so different. I love it. The white border on the black. With the gray too? Oh, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Say you swear to God, agent. Ain't no way. It's another 50? Holy chat. I mean, another 50. Another 50. That's 60 gifted memberships, chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you, agent. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Party's still going. Yeah, the party's still going over here. Oh my goodness. If you got a membership, please say thank you in the chat. By the way, everyone who was gifted, you can download my journal template in the Discord because you're a member, so go ahead and get that journal. Go get you that journal, chat. You come to the Discord. It's right under books. It's in the reading section. Click on journal. You can click on this journal template and download it. Okay. No analysis, but here's my new setup. Oh, yeah. Oh, I should have told y'all to send your setups. Yeah, y'all can send your setups too. Ooh, 3 screens. Oh, 4 screens. Timeout, 4 screens. I peeped that magic keys back there. I don't know where my magic keys is. Low key, I think I might have threw them out. Low key. I love this though. Oh, you got like one of those swing things. This is dope. You got the stream down here too. This is a cool setup. I like it. I like it. Nice. Thanks for sending that in. Okay. Wait, are you at work or are you at... Is this your home office or are you at work? Oh, wait, you gotta be home because you got... It looks like you got your laptop, huh? Is this your home office? I'm assuming you're at home. Oh, so we got 7. Let's see what 7 got. Micro E-mini Nasdaq. Okay, the Sun Nas. I like the blue and the red, and I'm peeping you got see-through candles. Is that right? Yeah, I like that. No body in the middle. That's different. Okay. No body in the middle candles. No body having that. No. No body having candles. We're about to roast the candles, 7. I like this. 6 a.m. price. Key level, key level. I like this. Alrighty. Got a plan too, I see. Looking for buys. Let's see. Where is price now? Come on, child. Let's take a little pause here. Yeah, no go for me right now. I'm chilling. I'm not gonna force anything. Remember, we got a brand new 4-hour candle, of course. This looks crazy. Get that bottom wick. Oh, we came back down to VWAP too. Look at that bounce. Very tempting, but I'm not feeling too impulsive today. Not as impulsive as I was Friday, at least. So we're chilling. I'm gonna keep it on the 5-minute. We're chilling. Hands off. Oh, that's at home. Okay. Quarter note for the Maybach truck. Let's see. Let's see. And in today's trades, we got Dave. Oh, you know what, Dave? This is from last week. I'll still show it though, but this is from last week. It was a beautiful trade by Dave there. Dave's been a member for a long time. Long time. Oh, we got Forex Ninja's trade from Friday. I don't know if I pulled it up on Friday. Oh, I think I did because we talked about the magnets, right? Does the magnet draw the candles to TP? Let me find out. I'm gonna put all these magnets on my chart too. Very nice, very nice. All right, we got a brand new 15-minute candle. Who this? Brand new, just started here. 1 minute into this new candle. Very tempting to take a buy here, but for like a continuation up. But chat, I'm feeling questionable about it. And the reason why I'm feeling questionable is because number one, if you look at my zone, we're in the middle. I'm a little keen when we're in the middle. It's like, I'd rather us be on the edge or near the edge, not in the middle. Sometimes the middle is the decisive area, right? The indecisive area. Like, are we going up? Or are we going down? Also, there's a bunch of resistance upcoming into these buys. So that means the buyers got to be very strong to push through here. And I don't know how strong they are right now. I really can't tell. I mean, it's not giving. You know, it's not giving enough right now. So I'm going to wait. If I'm right and it goes up without me, then I'm going to accept that as cool. It is what it is. I'd rather feel secure within my buy. And if I see something that changes my mind, I'll let you know. I'm looking to see if something changes my mind here. Not really sure yet. I mean, and look, we spiked up here 2 times and we failed to push through and fill out this wick. So here we go again for a 3rd try, trying to see if we can spike up here. So yeah, it doesn't seem like the buyers are that strong right now. Again, we can get a big order right now, but I'm just going off of what I see. So I'm gonna chill. And I'm gonna wait. So I'm just talking out my thought process to you. If you're in a trade right now, don't let me stop you at all. You follow your rules and do your thing. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, that's all. Don't let me stop you. I'm just more cautious. Wow. That was a big shoot up there. You have magic keys too, Bridget? That's funny. This is for Forex Ninja. Oh my God, another 10. Yo. Another 10? Is that 70 gifted memberships or am I tripping? You're at break even? Nice. Oh my goodness, Agent. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I really can't express to you enough. 70 gifted memberships, chat. Got me feeling like Kai Cenat now, huh? Y'all ever see his stream? 100 gifted, 50 gifted, 50 gifted, 100 gifted. Like, oh my God, the whole stream, chat. If you've seen his stream, I know you know what I'm talking about. Oh, they be going crazy over there. 50 gifted, 50 gifted, 50 gifted, 50 gifted. Like back to back. Thank you, thank you. Or like what's it called? H3. I'll pause the sound for y'all. Let me see. H3 podcast. Low key chat, I may react to H3 going back and forth with Hassan. 1.6 million views. Yeah, he argued with Hassan on Friday. So we may have to react to that. Y'all know we watch Hassan. I watched a little bit on Hassan's stream. Hassan had 100,000 viewers, chat. 100,000 live viewers. The whole stream. Insane. Oh, see? Look, Ian just brought it up. Yeah, I only saw like little snippets when I was watching Hassan's stream, but I didn't watch the whole thing. But I just want to see the chat. Look, y'all, look at this is during the intro, chat. Look at during the intro. Look at all these members. Look at look at all this. I'm scrolling. In the intro. They didn't even start the stream yet. It's crazy. And they're gifting. Yo, this is insane. That they have loyal viewers though. They've been doing this for years. They got loyal viewers for sure. Been doing this for a long time. 1.6 million views on the stream. It's crazy. Oh my God. Jeez. Yeah, I mean, we get 1 million views. Yeah, we get a whole production team too, chat. I mean, we don't need 1 million to get a production team. We get 100K views on every stream. We'll get a whole, listen, we'll do a whole production team. You bet. You bet it. We're going to be out at the pool with the streaming setup. Low key, I want to do that with y'all though. I would like to do an IRL at the pool. And we can host the stream poolside. Wouldn't that be lit? What the heck is going on? Wait, what's with this candle? What is going on? Back down to VWAP. Whoa! Look at that on the 3-minute. The 15-minute, it don't look like anything happened at all. So this 5-minute candle was going bullish, and then the next 5-minute in the same 15-minute candle came down and took out these lows. So imagine if someone took buys, they'd probably have their stop loss here. Remember I told you I wasn't sure about it because I wasn't sure how strong the buyers are. This is proof right here that they weren't that strong. So you got to be careful. In these market conditions, things can look good, But you have to understand, this is a game between buyers and sellers. At the end of the day, it's about momentum, right, chat? So if you're in a buy, you want to be in a buy when the buyers are winning, right? When the buyers got the momentum. To me, it didn't look like they were strong. So I'm sitting on my hands. And as you see, they're not that strong. Here come the sellers fighting right back. So you got to be careful in these market conditions. It seems to be very tied a lot as far as volume goes. Okay. All I see in the chat is Ninja saying, why? Oh no, was your stop loss there? Oh no, you said you had break even, right? You got break even? You done for today? Okay, you done for today. That's okay. That's all right. Call it an early day. That's all right. You got this though. You've been trading well, so you know you got this. It's all right to have a bad day. You saw me. I had a bad day on Friday. I just called it a day. I said whatever. I'm done. Friday that messed me up. I said that's it. Break even. Not the freeway. No, I need to go play on the freeway. Oh my goodness. We can go play hopscotch on the freeway. My goodness. All right, let's take a look at this on a bigger scale here. It is, was it 7:24? So what is that in New York time? 10:24 in New York time. Even though I'm on the West Coast, chat, I do use New York timing because that's, you know, market timing. So on the 1 hour, we're still above VWAP. You got to be careful here. Because yes, I get it. We closed above VWAP. We can continue. But remember, the market can consolidate if it wants to. We can consolidate on this VWAP, then make up our mind, you know? So you can never be too sure. So that's why you want to make sure you're using other confluences. Also, if I put a line here, we never closed above this structure on the 1 hour. So for me, that would give it a 50-50 whether it's going to continue or not as well. Now, if we closed above this structure, maybe it'd be more buy side is stronger, but we didn't. So I can't really say it's stronger right now. It's Monday, y'all. Yeah, you're right. It's Monday. It's Monday. Let's see. Oh, see, this 30-minute candle is not too nice. I'm gonna wait. Oh my God, Ancient with another 10 gifted. Hi, Rob. I see you, Rob. Thank you, Ancient. Oh my goodness. One more time. I think you said that 3 times ago. W gifted in the chat. W gifted. Thank you so much. W gifted. Let me see. How many is that? I think I gotta refresh my chat. It won't let me see it. How come it won't let me see it? Okay, I'm gonna count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 100 gifted. You just did 100 gifted. Oh, wait. Hold on. Maybe I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 70. 8. Okay, 80 gifted. 80 gifted. Oh my goodness. W80 gifted. Thank you so much. I believe it's building momentum to take the high. Yeah, it could be. It could be. If so, I hope we catch it, right? Hope we catch it. Let's take a look at the opening range while we're waiting. We have about 3 minutes till that 30-minute candle closes. Good old 3 minutes. So if you need to go to the bathroom or get up, go ahead and do that. We got 3 minutes. I'm going to go feed the dogs, chat. I will be right back. That's the opening range. I'm going to put it down on a little bit of a lower time frame so you can scope it out while I'm gone. And just give me 30 seconds to feed the dogs. I'll be right back. All right, chat, I'm back. We are back. Oh, wrong button, wrong button. Okay, here we go. Turn the music down a little bit. Oh, y'all couldn't hear the music the whole time? That's funny. I didn't know the music was muted. My bad. I muted the mic and the music. That's okay. All right, so yeah, I said I was highlighting the opening range so you can take a good look at it while I was gone. So there goes your look. Also, remember, chat, I'll remind you at the end of the week. I'll remind you all week, but remember, I'm going on vacation. I'm gonna go to a resort at the end of this week. So I will be back. So you won't see me next week. However, I will be back. So yeah. Happy to do that. Gonna go have some fun. You can keep up with me though on Instagram. I'll be posting on my story, so you can keep up with me there. Let's hit 100. Oh, you just had to, huh? All right, 100 gifted, y'all. 100 gifted in the chat. W100. Oh my goodness. Wow. Thank you so much, H. 100 gifted memberships. Holy. Holy. The Discord link isn't valid. Hold on. Discord link. Discord link is working. Were you in the Discord before? If you were in the Discord before, let me know. Yeah, it's working. Oh, Blink, I see you filled out an application at 7:30. Yeah, you're good, Blink. You're good. You're in here. You're all good. Do you see the new KFC commercial? No, why? What is it? Should we watch it? Why is it good? Or is it bad? Is that something we should react to? Let's see. Okay. All right, let's see. KFC. 1.5 million views. Is this Hunger Games? What the hell? Oh shit, this is Hunger Games. Wait, why they got the new Yeezy season on in Hunger Games? The new Yeezy season is crazy. What? New Yeezy drop is crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Why are they walking like zombies? Where are they walking to? She's sacrificing him? In the gravy? Okay. New Yeezy season is crazy. That was interesting.
Hey. We meet again at Freestyle Chess. And as you can see, I've already set up a freestyle.
Oh, Anna played Magnus.
Very
Oh,
nice.
I gotta watch this, but we're not gonna watch this right now. Let's see. What? Yeah, I don't know. That commercial was he said I'm screaming. That commercial was a sacrifice. That's people gotta understand. People do that for attention. That's so it could go viral. So W marketing. Because you know how people react to stuff like that. It's the same thing like what Little Uzi does and stuff. Like the whole image they portray, it's to get y'all to talk, because when you're irrelevant, people don't talk about you. Whether it's good or bad, you need people to talk about you to make money and entertainment, you know? That's why Kanye says what Kanye says. People don't understand. People think he's crazy, and that's one thing to say. But you also gotta understand he's trying to stay relevant. If you get it, you get it. You get what I'm saying, chat? I mean, you see it in the trading community, chat. If certain people didn't talk their talk online so loud and say outrageous things to trigger people, they wouldn't be relevant. Before that, they weren't. When they start talking crazy, they are relevant. You see what I'm saying? It brings in the money, chat. But yeah, it's interesting. Interesting marketing. It's just to grab attention. That's what I think. Very different for them. I did not expect Yeezy season sacrifice. That was different. You know, that was just different. Not the tender out the gravy. Yeah, I thought it was gravy. So I guess if he turned into a chicken, then it's grease. Ancient with another 10? No. I thought you were done. Somebody take his card. Please, somebody take Ancient's card away. Reject. Can we Google, YouTube, can we decline Ancient's card? Ancient, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ancient's the secret millionaire in the chat, huh? There's always a secret millionaire in the chat. We got the secret millionaire. Wait a minute, Anna played Magnus. I'm about to play that in the background. You peeped that video? Yeah, it looks like they did. I clicked out. Let me see. When did that video drop? Yeah, I'm sitting on my toes on this one, chat. I mean, sitting on my toes. What am I talking about? Sitting on my hands. Who says that, chat? Sitting on my toes. Who says that? Sitting on my hands, chat. Hey, 0 day. It's definitely oil. You can. Ah, yeah. Okay, yeah. It's oil. There we go. I don't know. What did I say? Grease?
I did.
Yeah, yo, quit. 2 million views. It says it was 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I missed this too. So yeah, I'm gonna have to watch this today. 3 weeks ago. Low key, I want to speedrun. What are they doing? Freestyle? W chairs. What the type of chairs are those? Let me see. Oh, it is freestyle because look, the pieces are in the wrong spots. Oh, well, it says freestyle. Duh. It says freestyle. They were in France? What? Probably for a tournament. Wait, freestyle chess blindfolded is crazy. I low-key want to skip to see who won. I won't ruin it for you though. I'll do it over here to see who won. Blindfolded is crazy. Alright, 15-minute turned bullish after that long wick, y'all. I got the opening range highlighted just for a little bit. I'm not going to keep it on the whole time. What up, Daniel? I see you. FX trading. Hello, hello. Blindfold, I would have gotten up without saying anything. Ancient gifted you, Daniel, so you can give a thank you to Ancient. Yeah, I mean, the sad part about playing Magnus blindfolded is that we're all gonna lose. It's like, damn, he could be blindfolded and we still got no chance. That's tough, right? That's tough. Not gonna lie. That's heartbreaking. Like, damn, you're blindfolded and I still can't freaking beat you? Like, what the heck? What is this? That's why he's the GOAT of chess. He's the greatest. He is the GOAT of chess. Don't get me wrong, chat. We have many GOATs. There's many GOATs in all years, right? Derek Fisher is also a GOAT of chess. There's many GOATs. Just like in basketball, there's many GOATs. In any sport. Anything you do, there's many GOATs. In music, there's many GOATs, right? Everyone, you know, it doesn't have to be one GOAT. There could be more than one GOAT in the category. People have talent, you know. Share the wealth, share the fans, right? You listen to more than one artist, right? Share the fans. Wow, this is how big was that? 75 points. Okay. Yeah, I didn't want to impulse. I tell you, I wasn't feeling impulsy today, so I wasn't impulsing this. Maybe on another day I would. Yeah, maybe on another day I'd impulse it. Today's doesn't seem like my impulse day. Well, I'm gonna leave this up until the candle closes here on the hourly, and on the 30 minutes, gonna close in about 17 minutes. I don't know how much I believe of it. Oh, see, look at it now. See? Dang. Your TPT just 3 today. Yeah, today we are trading 3 of them. Yep, I have 5 of them. Trading 3 of them today. Yep. The Discord link works, chat. People are using it right now. I can disable the links. I can check the links. The Discord link works. If for some reason you were in the Discord before and it doesn't work, let me know. If for some reason you didn't read the rules and accept the rules, that could be why it's not working. All the above, all the above. So just make sure when you click the link, that you read the rules, agree to the rules. You do have to fill out an application to join. That's to keep out the scammers. It's helped a lot with the spamming of scammers that we get. So that's why we have applications. But yeah, there's people filling them out right now, actually, as we speak. There's people filling out applications. I'm just waiting for this to close here. We got about 45 seconds and we're gonna get a new 15-minute candle. But keep in mind, the next 15-minute candle will be the last one, and then the hourly is gonna close. So I'm a little wary on that. I don't see much for me right now. I'm gonna let it chop around. We're gonna take a look at Topstep real quick while we have some downtime. Let's see how they're doing. Want to join Discord? Come on in. Come on in. Discord's free. Discord is free. If you were gifted a membership, take advantage and download that journal in the Discord. Please take advantage.
Am I the only person who's only seen the first part?
What was that? Was that Trump? Happy May the 4th to all, including the radical left lunatics who are fighting so hard to bring Sith lords, murderers, drug lords, dangerous prisoners, well-known MS-13 gang members back into our galaxy. Self-made Dre, welcome to Official Fam. Back into our galaxy. We are not in the galaxy? We're on a planet. The planet is in the galaxy, but what are we talking about here? This is so dramatic. The White House wrote this, so Trump wrote this. This is so dramatic. Y'all want to bring murderers back into our galaxy. Bro, that is so dramatic. Come on. Galaxy is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna read the rest because Galaxy is crazy. Look at the chat is laughing here on the top step. Galaxy is crazy. I'm sorry. That's different. Okay, let's see how they're doing. Let's all right, a little bit of red in the morning. It's all good.
Daily grind said
Everybody.
Making it back. Okay.
I see the opportunity overnight. There
I'm
we
just
go.
skipping
All right,
through
so there's
chat.
our
Skipping
weekend
through.
gap. Being paid.
will essentially wipe out 10 losers on this type of trade.
Why they gotta tell y'all not to copy trade? Do not copy any trades you see on Topstep TV. Do not fade any trades you see on Topstep TV. They be fading them. Fading them is crazy. Don't be mean, chat. Don't be mean. They be fading them. I get it, because they lose a lot, so they're doing the opposite. I get it. I get it. That's ha 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 joke. It's messed up though. But I get it. All right, let's see. $50 minus 400. Wait, how is this yellow?
Focus on not coming into any market with a buy.
We could change the color of that.
That's my goal every day because I really don't know where the markets are going to go, and I think my best trading happens.
Wait, this whole time I could change that color?
You know, I don't have an opinion, so that's what I'm focusing on, right? Trying to be objective about where the market can go, have a direction to the upside.
Wait, really,
It's
chat?
hard-
You could change that color? Am I the only one that didn't know?
Say Nasdaq or
What the
anything
heck?
indices increasing like inversely.
Nasdaq.
Dang, minus 400 on the day.
There, if we can look at my chart really.
Doesn't feel too nice.
Yet.
Oh, he's minus 400 too. Everybody minus 400. Who joined the membership? Another 10? Oh my goodness. Another 10 gifted. Thank you, Ancient. Thank you so much. What planet are we on? That's funny. What planet are we on? Hey, we're on the beautiful Earth, right? Beautiful Earth that people are making. People are making Earth seem like Earth is hell. Earth's supposed to be just a beautiful planet, right, chat? Okay, let's pause that. Okay. Tip of the week. Practice emotional control. Learn to manage your emotions such as fear and greed. Emotional decisions often lead to mistakes. Stay calm, rational, stick to your predefined rules. Great tip. Ooh, minus 1,000. He's probably done for the day now. That's tough work. The wicks, it was the wicks on NQ, eh? He's minus 900 now. Alright. We'll check back in with Topstep a little later. Looks like it's going a little rough over there. Yeah, I'll put the Discord link in the chat. It's in the description of the live stream. Where's the Discord? Here it is. Do you trade ICT? No, I trade official lens concepts. That's what I trade, official concepts. Oh, hold on. Why did that repeat? Hold on, let me fix that for you. Official concepts is what I trade. What? It didn't send? What the heck? Okay, there we go. Can y'all see it now? The Discord link is in there. Okay, so we closed outside of that opening range. Just a heads up. I'm still gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close, chat. We're at a pretty rough area. I'm still not all the way, I don't feel like I'm all the way convinced yet. I may need some more convincing. So I'm gonna let this hourly candle close. We got about 8 minutes till it closes, and we'll see what it looks like when it closes. Sometimes some days are slow, right? Sometimes you gotta just let it be. So yeah, let's let this hourly candle close and let's see what we got. That's the plan. NASA's playing today. Yep. Rents and accounts. You know how they do? They rent accounts and then it's like, oh, now we're gonna make nice moves after everybody gave up. Hey, Justin said thanks for the gift sub. Same issue, links invalid. Have you been in the Discord before? If you were in the Discord before, let me know. Were you banned before? Because I can't think of any other, there'd be any other reason. Were you banned from the Discord? let me know, because I have to look on the ban list. Works then just gotta get a PC with more. Y'all are funny. Ooh, Corain sent one in. Okay, let's see. By the way, chat, Corain, remember Corain's our member that took a $6,000 payout out of Topstep. Corain also took my mentorship program for a year. He's been around, and you know how he started? He was gifted a membership from Ancient. He was gifted a membership. Just so you know. That's how he started. And he's never looked back. Alright, let's see here. Corinne just posted this in the chat. On NQ. Get the VWAP on as well. Top step levels. Nice trade. Nice trade. Took the pullback there. Nice. I was on the down here. Corinne took a buy. See, chat, we got about 6 minutes. I think we're gonna take it over to the Twitter space. Maybe time for Twitter space time. Let's see what we got. Tea time. You know what it is? Tea time with Lens. Yeah, I'm on Discord. No bans. No, I'm just asking because then I'd have to check the ban list to unban you so that it works. Let me make you an individual fresh link just for you. Okay, give me 1 second, and we'll see if that works for you. Where is it? Okay, so anybody having issues, this link is only going to work for the next 30 minutes. Yeah, it's only going to work for the next 30 minutes, so I'm going to try to send you... Let's see. Generate. Yeah, okay, here we go. Those of you having trouble with the Discord... What? How come it won't go? Hold on. Where's the link? What happened to my link? What the heck? Hold on, chat. For some reason I can't get it. We're still waiting for this candle to close. It says that it's copied, but where's it copied to? Where's it copied to? I don't know why it won't go. May have to reset the server after stream. I don't know why I can't create this link. Whoa, look at Nasdaq moving on up here. moving on up. They did update Discord over the weekend, and even the invitation link menu is different. So I wonder if there's a setting I have to turn on or off in there, because I can't even get the link going right now. So yeah, I'll check that out after stream, okay? Need that Cardi B.
What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch?
It's my favorite. It's my favorite soundbite right there. All right, on that note, let's take a look at the Twitter space. We got about 1 minute and 40 seconds. Appreciate y'all being patient. Tea time. It's not always tea time though. Sometimes it's positive, right? Let's see what we got here. The benefits of walking. Let's get some positivity going, some health stuff. 1 minute, blood flow elevates. After 5 minutes, your mood can improve. It's very true. That's why I always tell y'all, like, go walk in the park. I tell y'all all the time, go walk in the park, because you're doing a double entendre. You're outside in nature. You need to be outside in nature. It's very healing. And then you're also walking. So you're exercising and you're getting in nature. You're doing two beautiful things right there for your mental health. Two great things. You want to get yourself in a higher consciousness so you can attract money into your life. So you can attract abundance into your life, love into your life, everything, all the above. All the above. You got to tap in. It's as simple as going to the park and walking. I'm just telling y'all, it's that simple. Let's see, 10 minutes, cortisol reduces. 15 minutes, your blood sugar reduces. After 30 minutes, fat burning begins. After 45 minutes, overthinking reduces. Very true, very true. After 60 minutes, your dopamine increases. Yep. That high that people chase when they smoke weed, the high people chase because they want to drink alcohol, they want to escape from life. You want to escape from life, right? You can get that from working out. And when you don't work out on a regular schedule, yeah, it's really hard to stick to. It's not easy. But if you stick to a workout schedule for a month straight, after that, it's going to be so much easier. You're going to turn into, I have to walk. I have to go to the park and walk. I have to do this workout. I need 5 minutes. I have to do this, right? You want to replace drinking and smoking, those things you use to cope, with other type of dopamine benefits. When you start doing that, it's a whole new day out here, chat. It's a whole new day. You can't get rich off the mindset that's got you broke. You have to rewire, reframe, right? I tell you all the time, you got to reframe. You got to do something different. Maybe that something different is you just go take a walk. Ancient, I need an hour of walk daily. Just saying. Really? 1 hour? Okay. I think I walk for at least an hour minimum because I have the dogs. So I mean, my dogs they need a long walk. So yeah, I guess if you add up the day, I definitely walk for an hour a day minimum, no matter what. Which is interesting. Somebody commented under that, walking away from stupid multiplies the benefits by 2. What? Walking away from stupid multiplies the benefits by 2. It's true, but it's funny though. I wasn't expecting to read that comment under there. That's funny. That's true. Okay, let's see what else we got here. We talked about the Grand Theft Auto thing. We got a new candle on the hourly. We got that closure. Let's see it. Pretty strong. Did we close above this? Yes, we did indeed. All right, we did. Well, I'm all for the bulls then. Would like a bit of a retracement. All right, we just got above this level. Next checkpoint is up here. Maybe we can come back down and then go. Then I'd like to get in. It's gonna be tough for me to just enter here and then suffer the pullback and draw down, so I'd rather wait. Let's see. It depends. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, the 30-minute looks strong, so yeah. 30-minute looks strong too. I'd rather have a pullback, chat, just because the 30-minute looks strong as well. Let me put a line here in this resistance. Let's use that magnet thing. Okay, there we go. 15-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit. I'm gonna see if we can chill out a bit before continuing up. What the heck? Look at this. Why does this candle look like this? It closed up here. Why did it gap down? Whoa. Why did it gap down? Another 10 gifted from Ancient. Holy. Another 10 gifted. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. It's Christmas today, chat. One more time, then I'm going to be lurking. Oh my goodness. One more time. Ancient, what do you do, Ancient? Do you have a business? I'm curious now. Well, you don't have to tell us too much information because I know it's the internet. But do you have a business? And also, do you live in the US? I'm just curious. Do you live in the US? Not the Santa emoji. I'm dead. He forgot me. Oh no. Oh, 0 day didn't get gifted. It is random. 0 day. It is random. Oh. Sorry, you didn't get one. Okay, let's see. No, bueno, Nas. Don't do that, Nas. Come on, give us a chance. Don't be like that. Please don't be like that. Come on. Actually, I'm not even gonna beg. I don't beg. We don't beg, chat. We don't beg. We just let it be. Because when you beg, that means you're hoping, and you don't hope in trading. You start hoping, your dreams will get shattered. We don't hope, we just trade, right? I just trade. You'll say, ah, you just trade. Okay. Nice. Live in the USA? Nice, nice. Let's see. Whoa. That's why I told you I'm waiting. Look at this. I'm waiting. People are panicking if they're in buys right now, I bet. Bet they're panicking. Panic moment. Oh no. By the way, chat, if you're interested in Take Profit Trader, y'all know I'm rocking with TPT. Daily withdrawals plus 30% off. Use code official in, chat. Official in. No activation fee. That's really the biggest benefit there. Once you pay, that's it. You don't have to pay the activation fee. I'm scrolling on Twitter on the side. Let's see what we got for you. Let's see. This popped up on my TL. says, not so much a question, but a request. I think any of us could become a trader with infinite money or affiliate money and accounts to blow through just off pure determination. Can you please do a series where you have a 1K, you can only buy trading accounts and have a factor PA fees? Show us that you don't need money to make it, you just need the skill. I'm gonna be honest. The person is correct, but also technically nobody owes you anything. You know what I mean? When it comes to this, you don't owe anybody. Oh, prove this, prove. You don't really owe that per se. But I feel like if you are selling a course, then you owe some type of proof in a sense of, yeah, let's see the skill. Other than that, I mean, it's true. I mean, if any one of you watching me, if y'all were making $1 million a month off of affiliate money, and yes, I mean $1 million, I'm not exaggerating. He does make $1 million off of the affiliate money. I'm not exaggerating. If y'all were making that, then y'all would do it too. Y'all would blow through accounts too and just revamp them, right? Because let's be honest, chat. If you buy 20 Apex accounts, right? Yeah, like $600 with the discount, right? $600, $700. The activation fees for the 50Ks is like $130 times 20, so you're paying $2,600. So people are paying $2,600 to activate those 20 accounts all the time. So just think about that. Being able to activate those all the time. Oh, here's another 2,000. Here's another 2,000. Here's another 2,000. Yeah, if any one of you were making millions of dollars of affiliates, you could afford to keep revamping those accounts every day too, right? So I think this comment does have a point. But other than that, I guess I'll let it be. I'll let it be. It's factual, but we'll let it be. Hey. Lindsay, you know what? 2 years ago, Tamika gifted me in Christmas, and I've been winning since then, so I'm just showing love to you. Wow, thank you, Ancient. Yeah, Tamika used to gift a lot. Finished the Discord application, now it's pending. Nice. I am on stream though, so yeah, if y'all are filling out applications, I'm not gonna go through them while I'm on stream because I'm on stream, but I promise you I will go through them after stream. I promise I will. By the way, we got about 5 minutes, a little less than 5 minutes to go. I'm waiting for this candle closure to determine if I want to get into continuation buys. It's pretty tricky. Told you I wanted to see if we can come back and retest this level. We're touching it now. See what patience gets you. Oh, we wait. Let's see what else we got here on the Twitter space. I gotta scroll off a stream because things just be popping up on Twitter sometimes that we can't show. I'll get banned off of YouTube. So chat, let me know, how are we doing in chat? Are we having a green day, red day, break even day, or no trades? Let me know if you're here. Let me know, did you take any trades today? You in the red, you in the green, break even? Where you at today? Let me know, how is our Monday trading day going? I want to know how your day's going in the market. And I have something to read to you. So it says, the law of attraction. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessings, you attract blessings. If you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good things and remain positive. Absolutely, chat. You know, when I was first told these things and read about these things, I'm like, okay, yeah, it makes sense. I'll go about my life. But until I actually took that serious is when I actually found the miracles in my life. I found a change, and that's why I am where I am. And it ain't because it's, well, I guess it is because it's magic. It's believing in yourself, and it's understanding you have to revamp the way you think. You need to attract things to you, chat. not chase. We don't chase. You attract. You attract things to you. Okay, so if you're having a bad day, that's why we always say try to find the positive. Because the more you think about if you're having a bad day, the more you think about it, the worse the day is going to get. You hear what I'm saying? Let's see what we got here. Enzo, 2 break-even trades so far. Okay, V Chrome's in the green. D and Oscar as well in the green. Forex Ninja, call me Mr. Break-even. That's funny. Justin took out some big profits on gold in the red. Nasdaq US 30. Okay, Nasdaq US 30. All right. So big profits on gold in the red on Nasdaq and US 30. Gotcha. By the way, we got 1 minute and 30 seconds left till closure here. Just waiting for this closure. Blew up my account in Topstep, so back to the beginning. That's okay, Lua. It happens, right? It happens. But what do? We reset and we say, okay, what I would do is don't reset it today. Wait for the market to close and really reflect on today and then reset it tomorrow. You know, refresh yourself for tomorrow. Because a lot of times what people do is they reset it right away and they start trading again and they blow it up again. And that's a problem. So I'd say reset it tomorrow. And remember, Topstep has that lockout feature. Don't be afraid to lock that account out. Don't be afraid. Cabuela, what's up? Hello to you. Johnny at break even, that's okay. Thank you. Yes, that's what I decided to do. Awesome. You got this. You got this. We got 25 seconds on the clock. Just waiting for this closure here. I said I wanted to see us come back down and test this area. Let's see what it looks like here. Remember, it's a brand new hourly candle. Right below that 100 level. If we get back above 100, I think we may drive to the 50s. Boo, not much indication on these time frames, huh? They could have did better. Could have had a better closure, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm not going based off the 3 minute. Let's keep it on the 5 or above here. 3 minute wasn't our friend last week, so we ain't gonna be friends with it this week, chat. We being petty. Petty all the way. In the green for the day, haven't hit the goal yet, being patient. I feel you on that, Marco. I gotta say, I gotta side with you on that one. That's where I'm at. In the green on the day, but I have not hit the goal at all. I'd like to make at least like 500 or 600 in each account. So good 500-600, I'm good. We're only up 100 on the day. It's all right though, just taking it easy. I'm doing low risk, so sometimes it'll take me a little to get there. I don't risk much. But that's the power of having multiple accounts, chat. You can keep your risk low. It's easier to climb out of drawdown when your risk is low. You don't blow up your accounts too easily when your risk is low, so that's why I do it. It's a little bit easier. Took out the previous 15-minute low. Music is pumping. Yeah, we're kind of hanging around this checkpoint here. We're below the 100s, but I'm thinking if we flip back up bullish, I may take an impulse. 33. I don't know if we're going to 200. We may, we may not. Tough call to say if we're going to 200. Let's do this. Let's anchor 10 o'clock because I'm curious. 9:30. Okay, we're gonna anchor 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock news, I'm gonna anchor it because if price for some reason breaks all the way down to there, then I definitely want to see the reaction. We got it on the 1 minute over here. Lots of liquidity. We had a liquidity grab, then we just had another liquidity grab. Ooh, they play too much. They play, chat. See, this is why it was getting me last week. Because I would see 2 liquidity grabs and get in, and then boom, they do another one. Tough work. It's all good though, chat. We're watching the 5 and the 15 today. All good. See, if we flip bullish and come up towards that blue line, then I'm gonna look to take a long position here. $3,614 profits on gold, 200 in the red on US30, $800 in the red on NAS. It'd probably be easier if you just do your overall, you know, like your overall P&L. But nice job. Yep, we're gonna take a buy there. Stop loss is gonna be under that wick. I consider that the body of the candle. We could risk a little more too. We want to risk a little more on this. Yeah, let's risk a little more. All right, risking like 260, 270. 260, 270, that's not bad. We already got $100 cushion. So if we take an L, we'll only be down like 170 on the day. Won't be too bad. All right, let's see if price can come up and fill out these areas. The potential for this could be all the way up to here, but that may be for the day, so that'd be a TP12 type of move. Let's take it slow. I think this would be a decent play. To 200, because after 200, I don't know if we're going to be strong enough to get past 200. But I'm looking to see if we can get up to the 40s, once again, to the 40s, maybe the 50s. That'll be good. That's where TP1 is. TP2 is at 200, which is pretty far away, so let's see. I don't need that anymore. Alright, chat, going for 99. Can we get to 99? We hit TP1, I think it'll be like 300 and change, so we'll see. It would be nice to get to, I'm trying to think, how much do we need? $500 to hit my goal for the day. I think it's actually this zone. Okay, let's make this TP2. I think this is the goal for the day. Or let's just make a new... Actually, yeah. I think this is the goal. Right around there should be about $500, right? 52. 52. I gotta do the math, chat. Let's get the calculator. I'll read the chat in a second. I promise I'll read the chat in a second. Oh, that would be 416. Oh, so it's a little higher. Let's just do this. 62. 62 would be goal for the day. So like 164. Okay, we'll put TP2 there. Okay, if we can hit TP2, then I'm good on the day. I'm not going to trade for the rest of the day. All right, chat, all that jibber jabber, I'm back. Let's see. The very dangerous market conditions. Gonna wait and see what the afternoon session looks like. Not gonna force anything though. Awesome, I love that. Awesome. Yes, it's very dangerous. So you always want to make sure you have a stop loss in. Now see, last year around this time, you know, if I'm like 20 points in, I usually move stops break even. This would be where I move stops break even, but because of the market conditions, I give it a little bit more breathing room. We hit the 20s, see if we can come up towards the 30s. Really waiting for us to hit TP1. TP1's like 40 points, 38 points. Yeah, I got it on the 1 minute over here. You could see it in detail. Hopefully it gave it enough breathing room. We got about 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle, just chilling. Is this NAS? On my charts I see under 200 SMA what I had to TP. Yes, this is Nasdaq, yep. But it's futures, so if you're on Forex Nasdaq, it's gonna look a little different. But yeah, it is Nasdaq. Savvy Taco, welcome back. What's up? My voice is cracking, chat. Hey, Savvy Taco, I'm glad you came back. Greetings, I saw Lynn's stream starting in 30 minutes at like 8, but then sleep called me. I was cooked. That's funny. Trading's never perfect. Risk management always can be. Oh, I love that quote. That's a W quote. I never heard that one. But risk management can always be? I never heard that one. That's a great one. I like that. How do you calculate your TP? Based off of what I'm seeing in the market. Or are you talking about like money-wise? Money-wise, you count how many points, how many points you get times your risk. So there's 4 contracts on, which is equal to $8 a point. So it's moving $8 a point. So just do 8 times whatever points. So for an example, right now I'm down like 20 points. So I should be down like, well, a little under 20. So it should be down like 160. You see, it's down like, well, it was just down 120. But yeah, you just do what your risk is times how many points. So see how I'm down 11 points. 8 times 11 is 88. So see how I was just down $88 when I was down 11 points. So yeah. So yeah, every pair, one contract equals a different amount. So you want to be familiar in futures with what pair you're trading and how much one contract is worth. So I'm trading micro Nasdaq. One contract is worth $2, but I got 4 contracts on, so it's worth $8. Does that make sense? Realize 10 a.m. news makes the market bounce. So I'm not trading till my afternoon session, which starts at 2. It used to be 1:30, but I was like, more patience is better. Yeah, I like the 2 o'clock session for sure. I find that I start to do better around that time as well. I couldn't agree with you more. Yeah, I usually find something good around that time. Between 2 and 3, or even between 3 and 4. So I guess I'll say between 2 and 4. Between 2 and 4, there's always something, at least one setup, that you're like, oh, that's a nice one. And it's pretty clean. We got the 15-minute candle closing in about 1 minute here, y'all. We are chilling. We have $100 cushion on the day. So if we lose this trade, I believe I'm risking 260 something. So I'll round it up to say like 270. I'm risking like 270 on this, but with the $100 cushion, if we lose, then we'll be down 170 on the day, which isn't bad. So risk management first, always. Not about getting the big hoorah trades. I promise you, if you're consistent with getting small trades, all you need is multiple accounts. You know, that's all you need. All you need is consistency. If you can crack the code of consistency, you literally just figured out how to make over 20K a month. You literally just figured it out. 12 to 2, market's just playing around, plus the most volumes 9:30, 12, 2 to 4. So those are my sessions. Awesome. Those are great times. That's awesome. Yeah, around this time, it's 11, what is it, 11:30 over there? Yeah, it's 11:30 New York time. All right, chat, we got a new 30-minute candle and a new 15-minute candle, so I'll let you check it out on the 30-minute. Previous 30-minute closed as a doji. Still behind this hourly candle here. Dang, this is making me feel like the best stop loss is down here, but that's too many points. 94 points. Get out of here with that 94 points. Come on. 94 points is crazy. All right, back above the 100 level. We're at 105. Looking for us to stay above the hundreds and get a march to the 120s, 130s, and then eventually the 140s is what I want to see. 140. And then we can get to TP1. That would be nice. So let's see if we can. We're at 103. I'm just going to show you what it's looking like. It's looking like chopped liver. Chopped liver. Remember, chat, when you practice good risk management, if you're in drawdown, it shouldn't be that bad. It doesn't feel nice, but it shouldn't feel that detrimental. If it does feel that detrimental, then that's how you know you gotta size down a bit. Okay, so just a heads up. If you're in drawdown and it's, you know, you're taking it to the gut, you gotta size down a little bit. Okay, it's a-okay. Well, if it was called the official Discord, I think it used to be called that. We renamed it to the official trading community. I think I renamed it last year. I had this Discord for like 5 years now. It's crazy, right? My goodness, we had this for such a long time. Long time. We are just waiting here, chat. I got what I wanted to see, which was for us to come back and retrace into this. Let me highlight it for you. This area and get a bounce off of there, which is why it entered. So we'll see if we can hold this area. If we can't hold this area, then I got to take my faith out of the buys. So that's why my stop loss is not below this wick, but it's below this area, right? It's below this highlighted area. So I'm looking for us to hold this area, okay? So yeah. So we wait. We wait. Got caught in this chop. No fun. We're getting ready to get a new 5-minute candle though. So we got about 50 seconds till we get a new 5-minute candle. Let's see if this new 5-minute candle can put in some work in the right direction here. Linz or anyone, have you ever had mate tea? No. Let me look that up. Mate tea. Mate tea. Mate tea infusion. South American caffeine rich. Oh, it's a South American thing. Says people also search for matcha. Wait, is it a different way to say matcha or is it its own thing? Mate tea. I see why people would search matcha because it's green. Huh? But yeah, no, I never had it. Why, have you had it? Is it good? All right, we got a brand new 5-minute candle if you want to see it in this time frame. Let's make that a little smaller. So again, back down on this zone, getting a little bit of a bounce here. Looks like there's some buyers stepping in. Let's see if they can really step in for us and take over this market so we can get a push. Just chilling here, chat. Just chilling. What's up, Francis? I see you. Gyms are super informative and helpful. Thank you. Thank you. We are just waiting here. I don't know, chat. The sellers may be too powerful for us here. We're holding our ground on this level, but we're having a hard time. Remember, this is the zone. Having a hard time. Wait, what happened to my stop loss? Stop loss is here. Although it's showing here. I kind of see it here. Right. Minus 140 now in the day, chat. Minus 140 on the day. That's cool. Kind of feels like a break-even day. 140. Not bad. Yeah, I guess we got faked out here on this doji candle. Have to wait it out then, chat. What a rangy day. And we're coming back down towards that opening range, by the way. Let me just pull that up so you can see it. Just dipped our toes in the water here. Look at that. I'm out, boo-boo. Thank you for the membership. What's up, Edwin? That's Ancient gifted membership. Oh, there's Ancient right there. Back at it tomorrow. Think it's gonna push up? Yeah, if it does, I have to wait to get back in. I'm just gonna give it a little bit. Not bad, chat. Not bad, chat. 140 on the day. It's not too bad. We are chilling. This is why I've lowered my risk so much. I've really lowered my risk because I'm getting faked out here. All right, getting some reaction here. 15-minute candle is going to close in about 4 minutes. Let's see on the 1 hour. This 1 hour candle did a whole lot of nothing. That's what it did. Just a whole lot of nothing, okay? Also, I'm hungry, chat. Holy, I'm hungry. Oh my goodness, I'm hungry. Was down at 200 below my 50k. Could be a retest. You trade breakouts? Yeah, I trade breakouts. Oh, thank you, player. What's up, player? Yeah, y'all can do the oh no, it's yeah, quote. You can do the quote or you could do the roast if you want to be roasted. Whichever you're feeling, chat. You want to be roasted or you want to quote? Let me bless real quick. Ancient with another 5 gifted. Oh my goodness. So if you weren't here earlier, Ancient gifted over 100 memberships today, chat. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Y'all doing the quotes? App player, discipline outlasts FOMO. Forex Ninja asks for a roast. You study risk like it's optional. You study risk like it's optional. That's funny. Your account looks like a ski slope. Thank you for subscribing, Caleb. Thank you so much. Welcome in. Hello. Hope you're having a great morning. In gold, stops to break even. You're in gold? Let's be nosy. You in buys or sells? I've been saving gold for Asian session because me and gold during New York session, it's just been iffy for me. But Asian session works better for me with gold, so. Wait, gold is in this big range. What the heck? What the heck? Oh no, I'm getting out of gold. Well, not out, but I'm switching back to Nasdaq. Holy. What a range that was. Jeez. You're in buys? You too? Oh, everybody in gold buys, huh? Wow. That's good luck to y'all. I hope you win, you know. I always hope y'all win your trades. The only time that I gotta go for me is if we're in opposite trades. I mean, if I'm in a buy and you're in a sell on the same setup, I gotta hope for myself to win, you know, just like you gotta hope for yourself to win. But if I'm not in the same trade as y'all, you know, I'm always on your side. But that's what trading is, right? That's the fun of trading. Everybody has a different perspective, right? Oh yeah, chat, remember, if you're just joining me, I will be on vacation at the end of the week. I'll be with you this whole week, though. I'll be with you all the way to Friday. And I'll be with the members on Saturday, but after that, next week, I will be on vacay. But you can keep up with me. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll be posting on my story. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, y'all know I post on my story. Just a heads up. Gold's being insufferable. Oh, I like that word. What a word. Annoying range. Yeah, that range do look range looks a bit testy in my eyes as well. Alrighty, here we got Nasdaq came right back down to the opening range. Super annoying. I thought I gave it enough breathing room being here. But we just took out that low. Don't tell me we're popping stops just to go back up, because that is super annoying. I may give it another chance here, chat. It's 30-minute candles, halfway done. I don't really see an entry on the 30 or 15 that I like too much. Well, I guess the 30-minute flips bullish. Maybe I give it another chance. If the 30-minute flips bullish. It'll be me my only impulse entry of the day, though. Let's see. Alright, let's get back in buys, chat. Let's get back in. Here we go. Back in the pool. Here we go. We're in the pool, chat. We're in the water. We're swimming. We're swimming. Oh my god, there's a shark. There's a shark. Oh my god, we're in drawdown. There's a shark. Oh my god. Wait. Hold on. Put your floaties on, chat. Put your floaties on. Let me just see where I want to put the stop loss. It's got to be below the 30-minute low, I'm thinking. Yeah. Got to be below the 30-minute low. Okay. We're good to go. False alarm. I thought I saw a shark, chat. You can hop in now. Actually, don't. Don't copy my trades, because if you lose, that's on you. Just watch. Be in watch mode, chat. Be in watch mode. This is risky. This is an impulse trade. It's very impulsive. Impulse entries are always way more riskier. You know? Way more riskier. Okay, I'm gonna target around the same area. If we get past that, we get past that. So yeah, I guess we got TP1, TP2, TP12. We got it all lined up here, so I don't really have to write it. I'll put it on the... I put it on the 5 minute? On the 15 minute? Maybe the 5 minute. All right, here we go, chat. I think you know what time it is. Let's see if we can, oh, wait, not yet, not yet. Too early, too early. A little too early. Let's give it a couple minutes here. Remember, chat, the power of having a cushion is that it cushions your losses. You know, the first trade... Actually, if we close full on the first trade at TP1, we actually would be at break even right now. But that's okay. At least we took a little bit something from the first trade this morning. You know? We're risking about 140 on this trade. Yeah, about 140. Somewhere around there. Maybe a little under that, but about 140 we're risking. So again, small risk, chilling. In case you want to see it. Just move this over. Small risk. So again, took an impulse when the 30-minute flipped bullish. And it flipped right back down on me there. Right back down. Ain't that some hoe ass shit? That is some hoe ass shit, chat. Hoe ass. That is some hoe ass shit. Straight up. Straight up hoe ass. Hoe ass activities. I'm about to have all different sayings, chat. Hoe ass activities. That's what I'm gonna start saying. You got knocked out. Oh no, what happened? You're still good? Good for you? Oh, was your stop loss too tight? Agent! You got it through and bullish with you? Nice, let's go, 7. We got this. See a bullish engulfing too. That's a good sign. Thank you so much, Agent, with another 5. I think you gifted 120 memberships today. Is that 120? Oh my god. I think it's 120. Holy. Oh my goodness. Well, on that note, chat, I think you know what time it is. I'm gonna ask everybody to get some hype in the chat. Let's hype up this trade. Let's hype it up to TP. Let's see if we can do it. Let's get some fire in the chat. Let's throw some W's in the chat. Throw that official logo if you got it. Can we hype it up? Come on, chat. Wake up, chat. Wake up, wake up, wake up. See, can we flip this back bullish again? Flip it back bullish. Turn up, chat. Just spam up the chat. You can just spam it up. Hey, back in profit. It's working. Nice job, chat. Nice job, chat. That was hype. That was hype for real. Nice, nice, nice. Loving it, loving it. We're back bullish. So the fact that we flipped bullish, flipped back, and then flipped bullish again gives it a higher probability of being a winner now. And it makes this stop loss the greatest stop loss of all time. Okay. So we have a really great stop loss now. So that's good news. As far as where we are going, well, let's see. I did small risk, so thinking about adding to it. Do I want to add to this? Nah, it's too choppy today. Let's just let it be. Let's let it be. What's up, Chill Pops? How's it going? What's up? What's up? Hope you're having a great morning. Hope you're having a great day. Let's see, down 140. So how much do we need? I think we need like 35 points to break even. Something like that. 35 would be... Oh, so it's before TP1. Alright, this would be break even for the day. Okay. That's not bad. 35 points. What price point is that exactly? 133. So if we can get up to the 130s, that should be break even. Anything after that would be profit on the day. Alright, let's see how this goes, chat. I can delete this now. I kind of want to anchor this candle. Ah, it makes sense. See, remember I had this on before and I was just kind of scoping it out. Now this makes sense. If we're rejecting this too, we should be good. Delete that. Oh, I didn't delete a, oh, I thought I deleted the stop loss for a second. Okay. Alright, looks good. Let's see how it goes. My TP12, my ambitious trade of the day would be way up here. But other than that, I'm honestly looking for checkpoint 1 and checkpoint 2 right now. This is what we're focused on, getting up to this area. Let's see what happens. We are chilling. The music was lit. Nice. I'm glad. Yeah, I changed it to that song over the weekend. Don't be afraid to join that Discord, y'all. You fill out the applications, accept the rules, all those good things. I promise I will go through the applications as soon as the stream ends. You can go to the book section. We got all the good books you need. You can download them on your phone, tablet, anything like that, and you can have it forever. Free forever, for life. So take advantage of that. I got a journal template in there that you can download. All those good things. Free 99, chat. Free 99. It's free. Go ahead and join. I'm hungry, chat. I don't know what to... I don't want to spend money to eat. But I am hungry enough where I don't feel like cooking. I just want the food now type vibe. So... that means I may order something, chat. What to order, though, is the question, right? What to order? I don't know. Let me know in the chat. What did you eat for breakfast? Maybe I'll get my acai bowl. I don't know if I want all that sugar, though. I'm indecisive, chat. Y'all get indecisive when it comes to food? Let me know in the chat. Y'all be like, I'm hungry. And then you be like, wait, I don't know what to eat. And you just be sitting there the next 30 minutes. Waffle House. Wait, did you have Waffle House or are you suggesting me to go? Because either way, W suggestion. Low key, I may just go to the Waffle House just because you said that. Because that is a W suggestion. Oh my goodness. Oatmeal, I've been cooking oatmeal like every day the last 4 days, so I'm gonna switch it up. Not that I mind, I have oatmeal almost every day with some fruit. I'm gonna switch it up because I'm hungry. Oh, you're suggesting, not W suggestion. Maybe I'll go there. That's not a bad idea. What the heck did I just read on my phone? What in the world is going on? You might go to Subway. Oh, for lunch? Do you have Jersey Mike's out there too, or just Subway? We have Subway and Jersey Mike's. I'm curious if you have that in the UK, Jersey Mike's. Is that a thing out there? Or is that just here? You got back in, Forks Ninja? Okay, you got back in. My stomach's growling low key. What's up, Milo? I see you. Milo. You leaving now? Yeah, come back. And my dog got this toy he brought over here. Y'all can't see him though, huh? Can you see him now? Let me see. Come a little closer. Here. Oh no, not on my wires. Alright, out the wires. Out the wires. Oh, you can see him now. This is the small one, chat. This is the smallest dog I got. Here you go. Now you don't want it, but you want to bring it over here. Here. You know what? Here. I can't with the drama. Watch out. Drama King. It's my Drama King. Can you move over, please? Thank you. You can stay there. You just can't come up in this chair, though. Yeah, you can stay there. Oh, chat, it's so hard. He's so bad, but he's so cute, right? He's so cute. Oh, these dogs, man. Nas is hella choppy. Thank you, Lex. What's up, Milo? Oh my goodness. Okay, chat, while we are waiting, let's play a game. You ready for this? I'm gonna ask you a question. I'm gonna ask you if you did something. If you did it, you gotta give yourself a point. You get 1 point per thing you do. I'm gonna ask another question. If you didn't do it, don't add any points to yourself. Okay, so only add a point if you do it. Okay, are you ready? Let's see. I'll ask 3 questions. First question: do you have a dog? Put a 1 in the chat if you have a dog. Do you have a dog? That's the first question. Put a 1 in the chat if you have a dog. Put a 0 in the chat if you don't. You don't get no points. Just a 0. I want to see something. This choppiness is so aggy. Got a new 30-minute candle. Fresh new 30-minute. Who this? Brand new 30-minute candle, chat. Okay, second question. Did you take this trade? Did you take this trade? I'm just being nosy. If you had a dog and you took this trade, you should have 2 points. So remember, just add it to what you got. Let's see. Okay, points are looking the same so far. Okay, next question. Number 3. Be honest now. Be honest. Here it comes. Be honest. Have you ever gone on tilt? You ever crash out in the market? Who's gone on tilt? Let me know. Who's crashed out? Let me know who's crashed out. You gotta be honest. You gotta add to the points you already have. So if you did all 3 of them, you should have 3 points. If you only did 2 of them, you should have 2 points. If you only did one thing, you should have 1 point. So I'll read the questions again. Do you have a dog? Did you take this trade? And have you ever gone on tilt? Have you ever crashed out? Forex Ninja said, I'm Mr. Crash Out. I'm Mr. Crash Out. That's so funny. They need a new word for what I've done. Tilt doesn't cover it. That is funny. Wow, some people have 3s. Interesting. Okay, see a lot of 3s, 2s, 1s. Interesting, interesting. What's your definition of crash out? You know, when you crash out, you know, when you go on tilt and then you end up blowing up the account. And then you look back, you're like, damn, it didn't even have to be all that. I could have just walked away. Now I done lost my accounts. 2 for sure, didn't take this trade. 2 points. Price is struggling at pivot. Interesting, chat. Interesting. Oh my goodness, my dog scared me. Like, I'm looking at the chart in the corner of my eye, I see like something moving. But you know how like you can tell, you can measure in the corner of your, you know how you look in the corner of your eye, your peripherals? It was too tall. It was too tall to be my dog, but my dog was getting off of the couch. She stood up to get off the couch. Almost lost it, chat. I'm like, wait a minute. What's going on here? Can I just talk myself and not count as a crash out? Yeah, that always works. I always say if you feel like you're going on tilt, the best thing you can do is say it out loud. Because what happens is psychologically, we say it to ourselves. We know what we're doing. We can't help it. We're on tilt. We're already crashing out. So if you say it out loud, you're bringing more attention to your brain. You know what I mean? Like you're making yourself face the problem when you say it out loud. When you just say it to yourself, it's GG's. It's over when you say it to yourself. If you verbally say it out loud, you make your brain hear it, that you're crashing out, then it's like, oh shoot, I'm crashing out. You said show the dog? I did show the dog. Come here. Let me just make sure his collar's not showing. His collar has my phone number on it, so that's why I turned it around though. Here he is, chat. Can you see him? Little Milo. Oh, you can't see on. Can you get up? Stop being the baby. Hi. You can only see the top of his head, huh? I'm gonna turn him around. No, not that way. This way. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'll cover his collar. No, turn to the camera. This way. This way. Okay, can you see him? You can see him, chat. He's not even all the way in the chair. Little Milo's huge. He's little Milo. He's little. Camera shy is crazy. Okay, fine. Oh, I got Doctor on me. And then we got Diamond. Hold on, chat. Diamond up. Whoa! I gotta stand up for her. I gotta stand up. She's heavy. She's over 100 pounds. Oh, oh, whoa, okay. Alright, alright. Bye. 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 Hi. She's above my height, as you can see. She's above my height. Chat, she's literally above my height. Yeah, no. Okay. Bye. I'm gonna crash out if y'all don't leave. Alright, chat. Y'all got to see them both. You got to see them both. Okay. Let's talk about this market here. It's moving too funny for me. I'm gonna say stops to break even. Stops to break even. Let's make this a risk-free setup. And I don't really care what happens after this. I have faith in it, but I'm moving stops to break even. Went up about 31 points. Got about 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I knew my hand was burning. See, it scratched me. At this point, I'm immune to scratches, chat. I get scratched all the time. I can't even tell. Thank goodness my skin heals very well, though. You would never be able to tell once it heals. It's just like nothing happened. Tomorrow, I'll completely forget. I won't even see it. A quote I came up with last week is how I expect my plan to work for me if I don't work with my plan. I like that one. I like that one. That's a good one. That's similar to what I say about consistency. To be a consistent trader, you got to consistently do the same thing over and over. So when you're moving strategies and moving strategies, that's not how it is. You're supposed to pick a strategy that works for you, that you like, you know, that makes sense. And that's the strategy that you adjust and adapt to. You know, you always have to adjust and adapt, but you don't just move strategies, you know. I think that's the thing a lot of newbies get confused of, because nobody talks about it except for Topstep. So that's why I like Topstep, because you have people up there who've traded for over 20 years, 30 years, people who've traded in the pits. They understand what I used to say in 2021 on live stream that people made fun of when I told you how you have to adjust to market conditions. What are you talking about? What do you mean the market conditions? What market conditions? The market's the same. All that shit talking, and look at them now. Now they're like, oh, we have to adjust to market conditions. Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. I told you that in 2021. And y'all all got on me. Because nobody else was saying it. You never heard it. No one else was saying it. So I am so glad that Topstep has brought that to people's attention, because it's important to know. You know? Looks like we're bouncing on this moving average here. Let's see if it holds. If it holds, we're good. If it doesn't hold, GG's. GG's, chat. But yeah, I think I will go to the Waffle House, because that was suggested, and yeah, I feel like I want to sit down and eat and not cook, because I cook a lot. I do cook a lot, so sometimes it's nice to take a break. I don't mind cooking. I actually like it, but sometimes it's nice to take a break once in a while, right, chat? Let me know in the chat. Do you cook? That's a good question. Who cooks in the chat? I may have to do a poll for that tomorrow, huh? Do you cook or do you order out more? I'm the type to buy groceries and ingredients and still order out sometimes if I'm tired. Sometimes it just happens. You still live? Yes. Wait, how long has it? Oh my God, it's been 3 hours? Oh, you know, we're just having such a great stream. I honestly didn't even realize it's been 3 hours. Wow, it's been 3 hours. Y'all been rocking with me for 3 hours though. Oh, we were just flowing, huh, chat? The stream was just flowing. Hey, Mal, what's up, Mal? To all the people that just gifted to Lynn's stream, please learn from her. She's a mastermind. Thank you, Ancient, and W Ancient for gifting over 120 memberships today. Holy. It's a lot of memberships. So if you got gifted, say thank you to Ancient. You're a beginner cook. Just brought my chef knives. Nice. Okay. Love to cook chicken Alfredo is my favorite. Oh, you make chicken Alfredo. That is so good. Love chicken Alfredo. Today I'm gonna make for lunch. Make some salmon. Do salmon, beans, and we'll do spinach. Yeah, I'm gonna cook the rest of my spinach. Salmon, beans, and spinach. It's one of my favorite meals too that I make. Speaking of, I gotta defrost the salmon. Give me 1 second, chat. I gotta take the salmon out the freezer. Holy. You remember when you were younger and your mom would call you from work and be like, did you take out the meat from the freezer to defrost? And you're like, yeah, I did. And you didn't. That's me right now. I gotta go take it out. Be right back.
You wanna come in and play with the goat? You wanna come in and play with the goat?
All right, I'm back. Oh my God, we survived. Oh my God. Should we hype it up again then, chat? Should we hype it up? I think we should hype it up again. You know what to do. It's about that time. I'm gonna need you to get your fire in the chat. You got the official logo. You could spam it. You could spam up a W. You could say, let's go. You could say whatever. Just hype it up in the chat. Let's get some hype going. Come on, chat. We're surviving out here. $30 looking good. Hey, let's go, chat. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. Loving it, loving it. So remember when we were earlier, when we were up here, I said I was waiting for a retracement down to this level. We did get it, took a buy, got stopped out. took us out, gave it another chance. So sometimes you can have a theory and your timing is off, right? I did take it because we came back down, touched this level and rejected. That's where I wanted to take it, but it stopped me out. So I saw that it was valid again and I took it again, right? And gave it another chance. So sometimes trading's like that. Try not to get too frustrated with it. It's okay to give it another chance if it's valid, right? There's a difference between revenge trading and giving a trade another chance that's valid, okay? Would you take it out 5 minutes before she comes sitting with it here trying to defrost it? Oh man, yeah, sitting there with a hair fan trying to defrost the meat right before mom gets home, right? That's too funny. Could you please explain how do you get into that trade? Yeah, I just kind of said it. I just kind of said it. I was waiting for it to retest my level here. Right, I was waiting for this to come back down and retest my level. I just got in a little too early the first time. My levels aren't random, chat. My levels are very, very specific areas, as you know. There's a reason why my levels play out so well. Look at, they're very, very specific levels. So yeah. Yeah, that's all available in the membership. Those of you who joined the Super Supporter membership. Teach you how to find these levels every Saturday. Every Saturday we have class. I've been teaching this class since what, 2021? But in 2021 I was teaching it for free though. It's free 99. Just teaching how to find these levels. Free. Yeah, remember that when we had free classes every Saturday? Yeah, for almost a year straight, huh? I taught y'all for free every Saturday for like a whole year straight. That was crazy. Lynn's is not the goat. She's the whole herd. That's funny. Netflix Walden. Oh, you doing your options trading over there? Lynn's called a while ago though. I did, huh? That was a while ago that I called that pullback. That was way over. That was when this candle was coming up. I was telling y'all to wait. That was at 10:45. Now it's 12:15. What's up, Yizzo? Megalodon, what's up? Thank you for subscribing. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Your name was small. I think it said Megalodon, like the shark. Is it Megalodon like the shark? The volume's really slowed up here in the market. Not a fan of the volume right now. Maybe the buyers weren't feeling too confident. It'd be nice if we had a huge buy order in this trade with us, because it would just, it would shoot right up. But yeah, let's see. We got up to the 120s. Remember, I'm looking for the 130s, 140s. We're at 128, 129. Can we get the 30, 30, 31? Can we see 40? 30. Okay, let's see. Finally in the 30s. Can we see the 40s? That was so quick. Hold on a second. And remember, chat, I called out this trade like an hour and 15 minutes ago.
I called a shot. Like blah, blah, blah.
32. 30, 29. Let's see here. Hanging at the 30 level. That's good. That's good. I like that we're hanging around there. I like to hang around the 30s. See if we can get a continuation push. She's struggling. Jeez. Overall market pushing higher, thank goodness. Come on, you can do it. We got about 6 minutes and 50 seconds left, so the candle is pretty much halfway done. As far as trailing goes, after all this nonsense, I'd say probably trail it like 50 bucks in, to be honest. I think $50 is fair, so that'll be like 112. 112. Oh, all right, 112. We're gonna trail it in about 50 bucks for all that nonsense. And let's keep it pushing here. Let's see. Let's go. What's up, Yojin? I see Yojin there. You're at break even? Nice. It's looking, chat. It's looking good. It's looking good. By the way, I want to thank everybody for coming out to this stream today. Thank you so much. Whether you're a member, whether you're a subscriber, whether you're a hater, thank you so much. I know y'all be there. Appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Haters are fans too, chat. So we got to thank them too. They're fans too. They're just negative fans, but they're fans. They can't stop watching you. They can't stop clicking. They can't stop commenting. You know. So we do have to thank them. We thank everybody. We're grateful for everybody, chat. I am truly grateful for everybody. I'm not trolling. I'm serious. I'm grateful. Very, very grateful. We should get up to this next checkpoint here. We're headed there. We're very close. So we should be hitting this next checkpoint. I'm really predicting for us to hit this checkpoint. This is really the trade setup. I'm just being ambitious if we go higher, but my trade setup is really just this. If we get further than that, awesome. But these are the areas that I'm targeting here. So we are chilling. You can see all 3 different accounts down here. If you want to see the total of all 3 together, it shows it right here where my mouse is. Jeez, where the buyers at, man? My goodness. It's like we're asking for too much. Official Radiant, good evening to you. Shout out to Official Radiant. We had our first one-on-one over the weekend. It went well. It went really great. So shout out to you for being such a positive person. I really appreciate it. Positive vibes, good vibes. Great one-on-one session. I need to get above the bank zone. Stop tripping. Oh, it need to get above. You should have the hide your money, y'all. There's poor people around. Oh, on the soundboard. Hey. They don't usually come around till the stream's over. I hate to tell you that, chat. But when the stream's over, oh, there they go. There they go. They come out. They come out from hiding. Some of them talk while the stream's on, but it's, as you know, it's a little rare. But if they do, I have no choice but to name them a millionaire. And that's it. I may have to make a millionaire sticker if it gets to be too much. Don't be coming up in here with that millionaire shenanigans now. You know? These millionaire shenanigans need to stop. They need to stop. That's all I'm finna say, chat. One word, millionaire. And then it's over. Y'all know what that is? It's like last week. Oh my god, you don't have advice. Oh my god, all she does is flip a coin. She just guesses. Well, motherfucker, you better start guessing better than me then, bitch. You better start guessing better. It looks like I just guess right every single day. Better than you. I just be guessing my way here, huh? You better learn how to guess better than me. Millionaire shenanigans, chat. I tell you, look. Petty Lens is about to come out, chat. See, you know it, for extension. You know it. Petty Lens is about to come out. Bro, I'll be telling y'all. Millionaire shenanigans. Just for those who don't know what it is a word. Millionaire is a humorous and formal term for someone who has little to no money or is flat broke. It's a playful combination of nil, meaning zero, and millionaire. The term emerged in the 2010s, commonly used from pop culture, internet. It is a word, chat. I'm trying to tell you, I'm not making up stuff. That is what it means. Millionaire shenanigans. Now you know. Talk to him. Your sweetheart, thank you, Johnny. All right, here we go. If I close right here, it'll be break even on the day. Should have added to this trade, huh, chat? I didn't want to add because the volume was looking a little funky there. So yeah, if I see the volume, I don't add to every trade. If I see the volume acting funky, I don't add to it, but if it's acting okay, then it's okay. So what were we up? 140. So let's trail it. Half of that would be 70 bucks. So 70. Is that like 5 points up? 117, somewhere around there. All right, let's trail it. Let's trail half of the work we did at least. These 70 bucks. That way, if it does hit the trailing stop, we're down 70 on the day, which is damn near break even. I'm just chilling on that moment. Just chilling. The magnet. Yeah, there you go. We got to put a magnet up here, right? Make the candle magnetic. I'm gonna make Petty Lens come out. Oh my god, Lens, you're literally losing money on your sell. It's going up. Are you in a sale? Are you in a sale? And then spelling sale like that is diabolical. S-A-L-E is diabolical. Are you in a trade? Are you in a sell right now? Yes, we are in sales. If anyone has that question, the answer is yes, we're in sales. Brand new 15-minute candle. We got so close to that checkpoint. That is ridiculous. So close. Ridiculous. But we did kind of tap into that resistance though. It's a brand new 30-minute as well, not just 15, but it's a brand new 30. Tough work. All right, chat, hit the trailing there. It hit the trailing. Nasdaq is so choppy. I'm chilling on Nasdaq, man. I'm actually happy to be out the trade. I don't like the way it's moving. We're not flowing, you know. It's been a bit of a choppy day. Well, chat. I'm thinking I'm done until maybe power hour, but I think I'm gonna go eat. Okay, I'm gonna go to the Waffle House like y'all suggested me. I'm gonna go sit down and eat. And when I come back, maybe I'll take a peek at the market. Now I gotta go get dressed because I'm not dressed for the day. So eat good, bye. That's funny. Eat good, bye, y'all. Reacted at the bank zone and came back to pivot. Done for the day. Reacted at bank zone. Wait, hold on. Reacted at bank zone. The 50s is up here. Where'd you get that from? 50s is up here. Oh, before you leave, chat, before you leave, let's just show love again to Ancient. Thank you so much, Ancient, for gifting over 120 subs today, or over 120 members today on the stream. Thank you so much. Bless you. Bless your heart. Thank you. Thank you. I truly, truly appreciate you deep down. Hope everyone who was gifted is thankful for that as well. I also want to give another shout out to our top 10. We got a new segment on the stream, the official honor roll. So those who have been members for the longest time will be in that top 10 leaderboard. 37 months. Holy. 37 months. Also, another big shout out to some of our new members. This is from last week all the way up to Friday. So shout out to some of our new members. Just want to give a shout out. Thank you for the support, everybody. On that note, a little bit of a slow day, but we got FOMC week. So, hey, it's going to be a little rangy till FOMC, most likely. So, I will see you tomorrow. If you're a member, I will see you tonight for our review. Sounds good? E-Lite members, not official fan members, E-Lite members. If you're an E-Lite member, I'll see you tonight. Everyone else, I'll see you in the AM, all right? Thank you so much, y'all. Have a great day. Make sure you stay positive. Don't forget to smile. I'm out.